Chitab Kalenjin ilele nenye. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwotene. Imwoe Nee Chitab Kalenjin ilele nenye. Ugesiso Chitab Kalenjin unengengi. Botingengi onime mwawe yenaitul. Kongo mengen konime teba tige mwaun. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwotenenye. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwotene. Imwoe Nee Chitab Kalenjin ilele nenye. Mokunyolchin Chitab Kalenjin kochelewan. Neni
makonyoljin Chitab Kalenjin kochelewan atakibwatwech Daktari Choi Kimeta kole igere nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwoti nee Chitab Kalenjin kakiweke kora special episode nebo betutab rani ak tot akakoit akere fans chechok kakomong kobun takwek cheterchin ameche kityo ibwatwech eng kemboutab rani ile inemchinech ano ngimi ole nyumbani ole Adelaide South Australia imwawech ile imi Adelaide South Australia ko ngimi Melbourne imi Sydney imi olimbo Western Australia imi emetab America imi emetab Kenya ola tugul imwawech ile inemchinech ano ameche kityo tawech kongoi ang biik chekimuch kotunen in eng episode nekisirto episode 64 nekikimi olimbo kebeberta nebo Melbourne Australia ako kakecrossen ameche kityo ale kongoi kikinyoru comments biik chechang akot kelen kongoi JK Lagat kainet nenaat ko Kipkeny oba that episode oreviewen simwa nyoru ole ne chekikinetkei ameche kora ataib nafas neinegei abwatwok ale kampunit ne noto ko sponsors chechok chekonech eng saisiek tugul sikebwa soet ko kampunit neo ko Optiven Property Limited komi olimbo county nebo Nairobi ngotimokchinigei mbaret icheng notok Dori Chelagat sikotoretin inyorchigei mbaret ak kampunit kora Tamu Life imi emetab Amerika kebeberwek chun tugul ko kora karon koech chi meche ichurkot ko kit nekikuchwe kot iwe kityo yobo shelf inyoru chaik chebo Tamu Life ako inendet ako sponsors chebo program chechak ameche kityo tabwatwok amakicrossen eng kong'ete ole Adelaide akoi kebeberta nimbo Ohio ameche kora kecongratulaten kipongesan lagok tugul chekimuch koyai KCPE kenyit anan kenyini lagok 2020 ko 2021 candidates chekokere komong results ako kararanitu angot kora kelechini lagok chemuch manyorchigei iwe kikure your dream school komeku Van Moyo kilechini kararan tai nekainyoru ilechi Mungu kongoi eng skulishek tugul akale kongoi timitab Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin chekikimuch akerutochi skulishek chekikibe eng kenyit konye anan ain olimbo sukulitab Tulwa Mwetun Chesunet sukulit chebo Kabore akowechi kongoi eng results mas mutai kalechigei emet kotikebe kora ketou ketet kora chebo kenyini lagok tugul chekwai akelechini congratulation kikibe Kapsabet Thailand ako lakwet agenge kokikapromisenech kole wendi Kenya akameche alechin balozi kou ole kikamwaita ako koimuch konyor kit nekikamwa so lagok tugul it is possible mwalimuinik kongoi sigik pongezi pia ngasit nekararan ameche kecrossen from Adelaide emetab South Australia akoi olimbo the land of right brothers Columbus Ohio kenyor balozi ak engineer karibu sana.
Kongoi osea kongoi kastoikyok kasubikyok tugul eng ole omite akerin chuti chumba Ruto kale subech anan mangen ale imyeno Queen Chemu kelejinin kora karibu Ivy Chuma karibu Kipkeny Lagat kelejinin karibu Chepkogei Prudence Daktari kelejinin karibu kongoi Jafet JP kelejinin karibu Cheriot Cleophas abwoti ale alumni nenyonet kelejin akakwek tugul karibu eng ole omi ako togotin eng episode number 65 Akingetje ngole kokimite akebe akoi China kimeche sikeker kele mine China. Emetab China emet neo anan emet neo kabisa eng dunia ko kakinyorchi chepkametin yo kebeberta notok kikere kolapkei kabisa ngole mi kelejin karibu makimeche somisen tuguk chetesetai. Ko osea kaitit olinyonet mongen ale kwakolalangit ipkolalangit kot kokaititit kora, so it is cold outside there lakini kichamegei. Ko kongoi eng akwek tugul chekaosubech ing ole omite mwoiwech ile isubech eng ano akilaikan our program. Damaris Marang kelejin karibu agere Yekon Hasla mongen ale Hasla ngano lakini karibu ni Mogadishu kelejin karibu kitinye Hasla mwenyewe eng yu, so meche sokoi komwoiwech eng tai yo ko kongoi. Janet kokokaititit olinyo ipkolalangit mongen ale imyeno ako une ole imi, kimeche kityo kotakemwa kongoi kotomo atachin kemwochi kongoi Tamolife akemwochi kongoi Octaven, kampunishek kibagenge che supportenech ing ole tugul ketesetai ak tetutik. Kimeche kora kotakeib kasarta kemwochi anan kecongratulaten lagok tugul chekoai KCPE chekoibelis ak ing makisiek chekoinyoru kokararan amu kakile wendi chi tugul high school, so kimeche kora iwe ak makisiek cho itinye usikufe moyo, imukakse tukyu chekobe national school kelejin kongoi, kiking'ololse kikicher lagok chechang ako kiboiboi kokakikas kele kosir lagok chekikaking'ololji. Kemeche kora siketeketestai kunoto kechergei, kimeche sikeselebreten kiselebreten ngole. Ko Janet akere kityo Tamolife, mongen ngimite Florida, imi California, imyeno. So simwoiwech Janet, kaitit olinyo lakini kalal hitait kwalalin AC kokaweke kora, so mongen ale une Janet.
Kongoi balozi au kongoi Tonyo nebo rani na Faith Maina, karibu sana. Tumefurahia kuwa na wewe siku ya leo. Akosea ko ak followers chechoge awewe eng betutab rani amite anendet olimbo Carolina rani. Sometimes inabidi unatembea, so hiyo ni mzuri. Unaenda unapata some fresh air alafu unarudi. So that is why I am. Huku ni baridi balozi. Tumerudi winter. Tumeacha winter ya Florida. Lakini all in all, we thank God for good health. And tumeonana leo. Na hiyo ni furaha yetu sisi wote. Na mgeni wetu kakoit Milot komye. Kemwae kele karibu. Episode 65. Eng chitugul ne isubeji kesame kele share show nenyo. Subscriber na YouTube nenyo. Please subscribe on YouTube. Angot de watch na Facebook subscribe on YouTube. Sikobit koityi biik chechang YouTube page nenyo ak Facebook page nenyo. So subscribe and share our show for today so that we can reach as many people as possible. Kongwe balozi.
Janet, ngile subscribe kone ni magat kwa chito, so ameche imwochi chi nisubenyi komeche ko subscribe ngot komeche ko iwe YouTube yoe ne, so ameche imwochi chichoto no.
Angiwe YouTube ichenge kityongon Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ketindoi page nenyonet. Eng page notok ko iwendi komito ole kikisir kele subscribe. Eng yotok iklikeni kityongon, ichile kityongon sikolenjin subscribe and that is it. So please subscribe on our YouTube page. Kimeche sitakechang'e eng olindo kora.
Kongoi nye Janet kakile subscribe ko cham kele ichile lakini ing olimbo tugen kele nyabir, so you nyabir tateng mongen ale so kelechinin just nyabir akilaikan atya isir comment kora imwoiwech ile imoche keyaita ano program nenyo. Ko kongoi nginye chito neisubech akwek tugul choker ak Nivin, Ray, Caroline, Masero, mongen ale imyeno kale mi Nakuru, Beni, kongoi ngakwek tugul akere kichang kabisa eng betutab rani. Ko kakoit Tonyo, so Tonyo kekure Faith Chepchumba Maina. Imi China. Ameche kityo ikatet kotomo ketou tetutiet Faith sikonai biik kole imite. Ameche kityo ile chamgei asikokas biik kole imite.
Okay. Wamune biik tugul chebo Kalenjin amiten ndani kabisa eng kwanet.
kongoi kongoi kaukas so mi ndani
Kimi ndani kabisa.
en program nebo Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin so kimeche kemwa kongoi ko tonyo kakinyorchi emetab China mongen ale taonit ingiro neimite you know mwaiwek kityo ile imi taonit ingiro eng China o emoni ano ole imi eng China.
Okay, en nguni amiten elibare Sichuan province, amiten taonit nekibare Chengdu. Ele climate kou nebo Rift Valley. Rift Valley ro kimi no chaik en ro. Amiten en kanaset nekibare Chengdu.
Kele mi chaik anan kele mi ne?
Miten chaik en ngweny ro anan iwe kiten komiten chaik. Climate ine komoe kunon bo kamaya climate mising en ro. And we have a lot of pandas. Kotiki kase panda ko ele miten anyuto.
Kele mine? Panda?
Panda. Panda. Black and white.
Panda bears.
Panda.
Tiondo komiten any.
Okay. Yeah, mongen ale kikure ne in Janet ale cheptuinet mongen ale kikure ne not chita lakini angen panda. So angen kityo ngebe restaurants chep Chinese komi panda age amitwogik ab olotok lakini kationyo. So kongoi nye tonyo nebo betutab rani kakokatak Chengdu mito ole kile Chengdu ole kerge ak Rift Valley so logewe ibicheng kebeberatak ngimeche ole u kami chaik atya ikere tiong'icho ole mi ose ako komitei tiondo no kelen kangaroo olin komite panda so kongoi Gideon Koskei kongoi Thomas Kipsang kongoi SK Stanley kongoi Yegon Hasla Kilbert komite kebebet ose kakochanga biik igere okot ngo kotomo sikeker kele kinyorchine China.
Kongoi balozi Peter Rono. Hakiri biik chechang kabisa cheisubech eng kemboutab rani kou kakaibekchi Yegona Sola, asante sana. Kivyo Dildo, asante sana. Beni Sawa, asante sana. Caroline Jeps, asante sana. Nevi Hassan Broden following from Kericho, asante sana. Jonas Kip, asante sana. Jacob Keme, asante. Juti Chuma, asante sana. Anthony Kiprop, asante sana. Damarisi Morogo, asante sana. Nelson Pet, asante sana. Gideon Kembo, Teko Miles, Emmanuel following from Molimba, Bangkok, China, Thailand, asante. Joel Bushene, asante sana. Ak biik chechang kabisa agere biik kora chemi kebeberta nebo YouTube meche kityo balozi agere kakosut keunek kila mahali eng dunia iboru kole kakoit tetutiet konainik tugul nging'et asikerikonoisani aketesetai balozi.
Kongoi ngakwek tugul agere mwaiwek kityo ile isubech ngono agere biikab Eldoret Nelson kosubech agere Isaiah Mayo kosubech kongoi ngakwek tugul agemwa kityo kele with YouTube like our program just send a comment ko kakinyorchi tonyo nitok Faith Chepchumba Maina ne kakinyorchi emetab China ko kou kila kemeche keker kele kinyorchine emoneb China ko emet agenge neo abwoti ale namba 2 eng emotinwek amu mi emetab Russia neo eng emotinwek tugul lakini tinye area nebo 4,387,815 square miles noto ko kerge ak 11,364,389 kilometer square tinye population 1.4 billion people in 2021 noto ko namba agenge eng dunia komugul. GDP nebo emoni ko mokornotetab emoni ko 18.46 trillion dollars noto ko namba 2 eng dunia lakini anyun ngewe ko ngepchei mokornotetab emoni amu chang biik koibe chitugul koboto Faith 12,990 dollars noto ko number 56 eng dunia so kachanga biik kosir mokornotet ko reducen kora mokornotet lakini ngano ko o emoni ako chang opportunities tuguk chekanyorchi kebebertab China chekikenyorchi emoni ko negit ko icheket cheki discovern ng'oliotab toilet paper no kiboisie ng'alekab chaik machanik ko kibunu olotok kou yekamwaiwech chepkamatinyo hesabuk concepts chebo hesabuk ko kikinyorchin oli chome Janet hesabuk so the concepts chebo hesabuk ko kikinyorchin olotok Janet cheu Desmol ko kikinyorchin emonoto chome emoni kabisa ki nebirir, yani red ke associateni ak happiness. So
Yes.
kalait age tugul ko red, ko nginyekebe emoni ko kinyoko discover ngalekab blood circulation chebo borto ngemeche keai transfusion tukyo tugul cho ko kikidiscover ni kora ngoli. Kingen emetab China kele kitech inatut no kilen the Great Wall of China nekikiteche in 7 BC. Okitech kabisa neo ako tugul, koi ako one of the great wonders of the world. Tuguk chechang nekit 70% nebo anan 70 eng bokol ko tuguk ki age tugul nekikiyai ikere made in China. Usimo no itinye chi, itinye simet ikere ile made in China, ikere ne made in China, ikere kitabu kartasi kitikin made in China, a lot of things are made in China. Mwaat kora kele nekit emperors 500 chekikondochi anan korulen emetab China. Ako mite chito ne mogoriot kabisa, one of the richest man in the world nekile Ma ko bunu emonito bo China. Ako anyun China ko kihosten 2008 anan 2008 Beijing Games, Olympic Games. Ko ka spendan $40 billion. So igere ile China ko emet agenge ne tindo tuguk cheechen nekit ki age tugul kechobe olitok kimeche sikeker kele boto inendet faith chechobe ngalechu anan tukchu tugul kokonetege ne olotok ko karibu akwek tugul chekaosubech ko osea kikere kakenyoru tuguk chekinyorchin China kou kila kebendi no kilen ladies first. Janet, I think you will start us today. Karibu Janet.
Kongoi balozi au kongoi amu kainetech tuguk chechang. Actually I did not know kitaunege ngalekab decimals olimbo China, lakini kanetkei rani abwati ale kakonetkei akichek kastoik chok ak tuguk other facts akobo China. So amakibe komwawech Faith oleu China, kemeche kenai korok kele Faith kikisikchin ano ako kakwano. Mwawech kidogo akobo your family, kiwe primary school ano and achieve secondary school ano. Karibu Faith.
Okay, kongoi missing Janet en California, en olimbo California. Asante sana. So ane ko abunu Bomet en olimbo kibare Mokokoshek en Bomos. Ele kibare Shomo. Ko kayondon kikisikchon yoton, but when I was very young, so babanyun ko in bo Kipsigis, but my mom ko bo Nandi. So kinomingin abo 4 years kewekta nebo Nandi Hills. So ane somanenyun ne ko kiasomane Nandi Hills amu kiyoe my aunt kasit en estates chombo Nandi Hills. Alen keker is kele ngeleche ko kikimi reso kele ngoba kosomane sukulitab estates ko ngalal Kiswahili. So kimutan olimbo Nandi, and then in university, not university, in high school ko kyoe Chebisas High School kora en Nandi, alafu anyon kora university, anyon Moi University. Yes.
Wow, kongoi Faith. Ngai po Nandi angokutit kwaje lakini
amuche aswichen Nandi sahi kabisa.
Faith kole kama meche atil Janet. Komeche kora imwoiwech kitikin akobo family nengung. Do you have any siblings? How was it growing up? Amu kele kikimutin ko imining. How was it growing up? Do you have any siblings?
Yes. So about my family is family ne mingin kekuren abunu family bara Maina in Pomarenyun kekuren Maina. So I have atindoi sisters ak atindoi brothers kora che miten, mi age nemi Qatar, ko mi age nechopchigei konyo olongwong internet. So we are 5 ko on nebo kwenet en gaa. Yeah, it's a small family, and my father ko ki mwalimu kou noton ko kiki growing up in life nekibo gaa, ko kiki growing up in, I can say, a normal life, just a normal small family life en gaa. Yes.
Kongoi Faith. Cham kechame ketebi kele ngot komite any good memories cheitindoi chebo lekinye ko imingin, you can also tell us, because sometimes experiences chechok when we're young, they actually define us in in a lot of ways. Ako kichame keshani koramu sometimes ke tukuk alak keyachini lagok without knowing the impact. So it's always good, and we also like to appreciate, the struggles and any challenges that anyone has gone through. So you can tell us that, and then after that, and then komutenano. Karibu Faith.
Okay, so kinomingin at anamen enye memories chekororon ane kinomingin ko ingeles kinomingin en gaa ko kikakimutan pakiburan my aunt. I love my aunt so much, but kianis arengele yo kewe en gaa itomononi nia inyonga. So my best memories was just kebwa gaa during Christmas times and kebwa gaa during Christmas time. Those were just my good moments. Alafu what else can I say? Challenges chekikobun kora kino omingin ko kyawe Nazareth awe Nandils akaweke gaa ako en kinoit class 4 kora aweke kora Nandils ko kinoitita en class 4 Nandils ko kimongen any Kiswahili kabisa ko kikakimutan sukulit nekibo estate ko I was like I went through bullying kimokose Kiswahili kabisa kimokose ko kikilele log huyu hajui kuongea nini hajui kuongea Kiswahili. So those were some of the challenges kinomiten primary school, but kyoen class 4 kinomiten class 5 kekonon oik monitor akikoi kora chito nebo ne koik monitor, and it really motivated me to be a better person. That is what I can say. Ko kinomiten awe kora kounoton atar class 8 akawe Chebisas was just nenole uamamine it was just a normal life, just like that. Yes.
Kongoi Faith. I'm sorry you had to go through bullying. Like, I'm happy you stood up and I'm sure you get your school the potential. Monitor. So that's really great. Yeah. So Faith, kinyait Chebsas imuch atebenen ale kinyoru ata si wendi Chebsas girls atya ibinyoru ata in Chebsas girls. Just to share, because it doesn't matter where you come from. Imuch ko kenyoru whatever marks kenyoru saizi komutin whatever school, imuch you were top school or you were just a local school or you were an average school. And it doesn't matter. Here you are now, we're talking to you.
Ako in Faith, kameche kora amu ingele komongu results chebo class 8 komi lagok kwakase sukulit age nekonyor kole the lowest was 44 kole highest ko 147 komite choto meche sokoi kong'et chito kobetekei sobet amu in masir or something. Ameche kora ing'ololchi lakwana ilechi mi komong'unet simang'et simawo chi kot koketkei ako kakele wendi chi tugul high school.
Okay, so what I can say kinatar class 8 ko kiatar class 8 akanyoru makisiek akine chenormal chebo 317 atya anam 317 choton aib koba high school. Uon high school ko kiet chesanet for sure. I can tell you so many people right now are looking up on me, and maybe they are seeing this perfect person, this perfect person, and they think everything was so perfect. I was a little bit naughty in high school. And I got wrong number 1. I don't know if it is okay to say this. Again galekab somanet. Keep represented chebo subuhi ne. Abisa ko kombogera jede kyaru tugul. Bobi the kyak kinobara at koje ko bogase kabisa. Bogase takiru kabisa. So preps tugul chebo subuhi ne ko boger. And then majabu moja, I can say set books. Imagine we were doing gigia nini chebo Shylocks. I was so playful. And I was so playful that I didn't read the Shylocks. Anya later when you go more on. Sabazi king connected wiki tanga connected because test. Ale tesetan disat pocket. What you keep more jorwe jude? What so I was very playful, but I was very naughty. I was very naughty until Kinomi Form 3. konyo konget akichek mwalimuek kindeon dom prefect. Kiami anyin ine nyuma alles kaliari jedidi. Kaliari sikindeon dom prefect. Hata sikuamini ot kishangaan chitu. So I became the dom prefect and somehow uongochut some senses kidogo. Akale some people kagele dom prefect to own your chesani. So nika change kidogo. But I was okay. But I was a good storyteller. People from Chebisas, I know they are here. So they know me. King cannot get there from 1, I go from 4. So again, at Chebisas, I know a grade of C plane. Yeah, I got a C plane. And then after getting at Chebisas, there's something that happened to me. Which I wouldn't want to share it right now, but it really brought me down. Abisa seaplane nothing. Kopriga na ngiyong wen kabisa total kaya itengasi. So the next like the stagi in Somanetan from Texas. Why was now top like that. That's what I can say until we came and did Kinamitten University. I went to university. Agibaya in hospitality management. I did a diploma course in food and beverage. At upgraded I degree in the hospitality management. But Kinamitten hospitality management. Koki kibarebe picture job kabisa A minus. Lakini kagere gigimi grade tiger tugulile. Amungi agere wale yagasi. I had no option. That the option I get last in Atia Chinese language, give me Chinese language, of which Ilini leads us aka Toronyo China. That is what
Ko Janet pole amida wek ten let kitakin yok. So kong nyenyoru seat kai kongetin it came down on you ile unagagoyait kasit nyo. Ko mutin noto ko kimutin igeri len go ibib diplomas.
Yes.
So enye diploma si upgrade. The reason why sa tebe na faith ko kararan na so kanai bi gole melen ogon gumenyoru iwe university imuchi upgrade grading mo kot koit korait testai biwe university. Ago kote ichesani nyo login na gai na ile oye ka koromit kasit. Kager ngibite in ye diploma ko kanyo sindan ge ak biik cheu Janet che kikanyor ak itau ibir bichoto ko kai na ile abana makomeche setyo.
Ingen mi otro they can confirm. Mi university ko kya atar kabisa.
Ko ini in faith ne giyain sigeri ile in anan kingegeri ile atinye grade nemi ng'ony ako kai na ile bichu bwane chu ko kimen ko noto ne giyain did you just grow up anan kigeri ile the only way did you start kimete ng'alechu kichami ichesani asi concentrate eng somanet anan kilya?
I don't know if I'm ready, but I shouldn't there's something that happened in my life kabisa negi ya kabisa only on baba ko ni opportunity yaende kitu isoma opportunity yaega isoma ko yeweje ko inyegeda. So I don't know if
it's okay.
There was just something. Yeah,
you don't have to share. Yeah.
I don't have to share if I'm not ready. So there's something that happened to me that I had no option. The only option that I had was to study hard. That was the only option. I had no option. I will go on another chance. And I think, what the only chance in my life. And I had, food. But the way my dad, meet and samosas, kuyere kabisa kole chobin kina ngokuron biik during nini kotindo toek chito kokuron nebo abirchi chapo situine kuyere biik kabisa kole chobin tuguk faith ni kole baba yae ngalekab food. And that is when I went and did food. But there was something that hit me so hard that kimotinye any other option but to study hard. Ago another thing kora nekimokonye ko ki babanyun ko a teacher ingen big and village mwalimu nebo a primary teacher, but alikubali akolipanwan parallel, which was very expensive for us. Ko ki expensive amun ki per semester in hospitality wangi kilipan negative 75 and a 70 per semester. So you can imagine it was very expensive. Ogi baba nyun ko ki mwalimu, so ko ki mo kanya let down my dad.
Kongoi Faith, kongoi. Testai Janet.
Kongoi Faith for sharing and abwatia like how chitukul kole, you know, it doesn't matter where you come from and ako iwal your focus and you know what you want to do. Akimuchi itole wendi. So Faith kirup ne ako kaitare nguno kewe kaya hospitality diploma, so you can always upgrade. Ati wa university unaenda unapambana na watu wa A na A minus kama sisi, and then what followed next, Faith? Kinyoru kasi kimeche kesubuni akoi kaginyorchin China, but you are now in university, so I guess what happened in between? Karibu Faith.
So kinomiten university amu kiotindoi a diploma course ko kingemiten in long holiday. Angen ini kingemiten long holiday ko my first job ko kiba kaba Noble Hotel in Eldoret. Nikaenda kufanya kama waiter. Ko kionda ko kinomiten second year. Ko kikimiten ine kikai long holiday. Moendi kai long holiday. Let me just hustle. Kebe kityo ak chorwenyun age nekichepkokoyote kiba kebe Noble ine. Iyamata na buch aya keitite keleche komoche ne keleche kakisome kasit. And the manager picked me. Akolechon sawa imoche kasitab waiter alechi Ukiabarot mara keliponech 3,000. Alechi okay sawa kelyon sawa karon inyon ak uniform kakesiran kasit akelipanan 12,000. Kiabaibaitu ale mshahara nenyu cheta abirchi baba ale kanyoru kasit en Noble en long holiday kokilipanan 12,000. Ulo baba kingesiron ak mwalimu kokeisindan ano nekere kikolen ale ya ngalekab food. So that was my first job. Nikakuja kinomi second year nikafanya job in Noble Hotel. Alafu kinomi tena around third year kinami kikitindoi a group nekitam kebendi outside catering. Kiba kechobe amitwogik alafu ko kiba kechobe amitwogik akeweksei sukul no you get paid ikiyoe side hustle apakoit baba kolechon just concentrate on your studies. I concentrated on my studies. Kwane ko kingemiten ai first year ko kikitindoi as near hospitality komiten you have language option ko kikitindoi German, French, Spanish ak Chinese. Ko kichapwani biik chechang nia Spanish, French, nini kele uwen Chinese. Ile uwen Chinese. Alane amache choto uwen. Me I took Chinese language. So that is where tukaanza kobit ngalekab sijui exchange program, kobit ngalekab exchange program chombo Chinese, and I got a Chinese teacher nekiyobu olibo China nekikuren Zhang Laoshi. Ko Zhang Laoshi ni alikuwa very close to me. Konam kochama kabisa mwalimu ni ako encourage no kabisa tatun kobit anyin kinomiten for dia kobit ngalekab scholarship. Kobit ngalekab scholarship chebo Chinese kikiyoe tugun chekuren HSK. Ko kiniyai HSK choton inyone China for 6 months. Ko it was a 6 months thing nekikibwane in China. Ko kikiyai scholarship noton.
Kongoi Faith for sharing that. Aka amache sitimwawech more akobo scholarship, you know, amu kemwa ile kinyoru scholarship amu abwati ale biik chechang chekakotunen in ko mache ko anan tebe kolen kinyorchin ano, how do we apply? So you'll tell us that and then I will let Hosea take over. Karibu Faith.
Okay, so sasa nguno ninyo Nairobi University, Moi University, Egerton, mongen ngot kotindo Kabianga nguni, Kenyatta University kotindo HSK program whereby ngete bwane mwalimuek chebo universities koweche ko kikitindoi mwalimuek chekibo Donghua University in Shanghai. Ko bwane nguno mwalimuek en university ak nyoko konet biik ako komiten exam chekiyoe chekekuren HSK. Ko kiyoe mi HSK baka HSK 6. ko kikiyoe HSK 1, 2, 3 kinisir HSK ko kikiyai 1 kityo. O kisir chitugul because we were very few. Alafu kila mtu alipita kisir na chitugul enini. So that is how we just applied and then the school will apply the scholarship for us. But lakini si kupata hiyo scholarship.
kongoi kotom konyosea in kotom konyosea Faith kararan amu kito nekacham ko kacham kinyoesio biik kokwei biik chu tugul chu kocheng biik kakoker like ane ak Janet maybe akosea kon kitakikere kityo language ngele Chinese komelen kele keng'alal kityo mi ng'alecho kesirche ngiker uyo katyech ngokiet tukyo tugul cho meche siko kotakenai ngot ingen isir chotok ko kangiwe komeche konetkei biik Spanish meche konetkei biik French uyo kikingen chotok abwoti ale Janet ko kiyai French uyo kimaketinye achek chotok kinyachunu university ole kelen kelecho acheng language uni alen acheng nekiroisi uni kiacheng Spanish talen awo koui kora Spanish nekisise kityo ang'ololchi mwalimu ane Kiswahili kolecho necho keng'alal alechi Kiswahili alechi angen chotok keexemptana ane so lakini kacham amu kingwo chitugul Spanish kwo chitugul chun koek inye nekele ameche chuuen ko mwishowe konekit kora kong'ering'en biik chekoib chotok that is probably what it has taken you mongen lakini sikoimwoiwech ose ameche itesetai yotok
kongoi balozi kongoi kora taweti kongoi biik chetukosubech akere uyo atinye ng'olyo engineer keimwa
kameche amwa one thing nekakomention en Faith kamwa Faith kole kicham kopire mandazi kopire chapati kochobe chakula chekororon kora kiko unemployment side hustles cheu cho ko inaweza saidia vijana wetu sana itau chito kityongon maybe kekurin tau polepole kekurin iwe ichop chapo a small event and then hivyo tu that's how we grow and I think that's how Faith alianza and don't underestimate anybody. Kemwa akobo waiters. I know I've had experience and I've had some close people chekikoek waiters and the way we treat them ko ngap ko matakararan. So you never know. I think to respect to every hustle matters. I think that's the message. Ako mina egile masumutai ko itanuchi. Kongoi au karibu Hosea.
Kongoi engineer ngoi Faith eng sabarit ameche ale kongoi biik chakere kosubech eng takwek cheterchin angotab base Njuguna asante sana Ami asante Naomi Samuels asante sana Kipchumba Arap Tera asante sana all the way from Sydney Dan Chirchir Filares Kipkore ameche ale kongoi biik tugul recognize toshian ak chetwol aikan sikoiti biik chechang eng kemboutab rani akot kibwatwa kora kele kampunit chotok ko sponsors chechok ko kampunit nebo Optiven Property Limited ak kampunit nebo Tamu Life iwendi kityo website chekwa inyorchigei kale Vision 2030 komeche Optiven kokakonyor chitugul imbaret anan kokakonyor chi koret eng olimbo Nairobi ameche kora tabwatwa kale kimi keyai project eng olimbo county nebo Kericho nebo kisaboteni Daktari Joel Kimeto ngot kotom imwa ng'olyo inboxenech icheng'ech kityo cheng chi age tugul nekairong'shu anan ko alumni nenyo siko updatenin ako prevenin ole kikeit kimeche ngot kobeku kenyit ketinye studio neo eng olimbo county nebo Kericho nebo Daktari Joel Kimeto atyo kosapotenata musician eng all the South Rift ak North Rift. Kongoi Faith sabarit ng'ung kolo ameche kityo itekanech through kakoitech engineer emetab China atakanech ile kiune transitioning ak ng'alekab culture and how did you maneuver eng olinda bo emetab China amu kakemwa ile inye ko ki chitab risop ara kiune sobetab chitab risop eng China takanech through.
Okay, so
Ako Faith kakemwa ile manyoru scholarship. So how did you end up getting there again?
I was actually the best student. Even my classmates can confirm. I was the best student, king of results. I was among the top students. He was getting scholarship, But there's something that happened. I don't know. I can't explain. Marga got coach over and a bog got there. I can't explain because one time I am an outspoken person and I quite it and then no get it monga no like yamne go tide jude bad bog no tisigegas. So somehow kogi kapwa in Chinese Chinese mga so lo mi moy kora ka nyo kera tana nyi moy so ko kikangeta nyin mwalimu echondo ko kitindoi what happened the first day ko kikakerin imi some washrooms kikere washroom sichoton yani kimakomache kosharen ak biik alak lakini kingemite Moi Town campus we could even share with the lecturers. Ateben alechi amune so kere washrooms we could have been using. Uon ko pit some grudge between me and the lecturer. And then pesho kwengele culture nebo Chinese people a culture nebo nenyonet ko ter amun kingemi university the teachers don't have to arrange you like nyotaboten en ireu ko kinanitite class konam kolein hey nyotaboten en taa ana nyotaboten en let pesho ale aki why always amune so arrange nechan and we are big people hey kinere Chinese noton kinere bwale bukabilet age. So I don't know kotokisir comment and I don't know because I was among the best students of Chinese, but I was the only one who didn't go through. I don't know. I was the only one who was not admitted. And now this is where another problem started. By the way, I just came to tell my dad, come on, after Wagana Facebook, I'm more the truth. They didn't know the truth. So in my life with my sisters, like I don't know how I do my things, but kinoker ale kakombe kasit kakonyor chitugul scholarship anege nemanyoru amwoe ne kakileon kebeichesanen opportunity but people should not follow. I'm just saying it the challenges that I pass through but matkozi binyebi matkozi bidu. So I call ko kiatinye my cousin aenge nekimiten in China ak mwalimu nekan nekolechin he my best friend ko encourage na kuleon no kuleon you must kuleon lazima iwe China. So kiaib tourist visa. Kiaib tourist visa. Akonyon China komongen chi kole atinye tourist visa hotel. Akonyon China ako kimongen any process. I didn't know how to change. I didn't know how to do anything. But wakati nikiwa kwa ndege hapo ndio nilishtuka. Amun kinomi any ndegeit ale ne noker passport. Ko kinoker passport visa nekioib ko tourist and I only had 30 days in China.
Korum ne koiwe China ak tourist visa itinye 30 days. Ne nekirup. What did you do? So kiwendi makiteben ngele itinye chepkondok chetya bendi biik sukul.
Of course, en gaa ko mamwa en gaa ale kawendi ne kare makakirotwon inye rabinik en gaa aletis en gaa makikakisirye kiangomong results en gaa kekere kele kosir so they were sure awendi ngalekab scholarship. So ko kimamataketeben kele kakomong visa sawa namin I remember kikakirotwon 40,000 amun ki scholarship noton ko kikilipanun fees kilipanjini ndegeit kolipanwan baba ndegeit akekonon 40,000 keleon any na 40,000 ichu ibe iribenge ko 40,000 ichoton chekiotindoi kityo.
So kongoki 140 kokatebe olot Faith, yeah, and then akimwa condition nebo tourist visa yani ngot
so ibiwano kipkotachin ngo kibiwano like kewe ibiwano atya itaundano sabet ing chotok cheitinye.
So 40,000 in tourist visa noton ko kichobwon another agent kenenen kityo kile 30 days aminde kitanda alakait makos na ile kinanyone China uongo kiananyone Nairobi saparishek oeng kityo mongen Nairobi amun ane ko kiasomanen Nandis akasomanen Chebisas akanyo Moi. Nairobi ko buchene taonishek cheechen so imagine kinoregu kole kinoregu aje kwacho kimi my cousin nekimenye a distant cousin of mine nekimenye city age nekibore Xiamen ko kimi already China ko kinende nekinyoko ko kinoregu en kwanjo abare kaitu keleon tom keleon nyolu inam any train aleon kinomdo ano train mongen ki kabotan yani hata sijielewi kinomi ndegeit by the way sikukula sikusimama for all those hours kiabur ine kou notok kimakanye ot atonon anything so I was Yani I was in a very bad condition. Alafu kimane kyoibwoti mosiket je bagishek chete alenoti kityo mongen okot anything keleon any nami train ale mokonye train kabisa kaikai nobun basi keleon achicha elenyone kolo moche train momoe basi ale ne nanam basi mpaka nusu amun kinoker kin nebo takekuren airport nyokolabati train bare wii ale obakach ine kaikai nobun basi okimine lakwet age ne Kenya ne chemukomboinik nekikonomchigei ndege ale matibeto akikere kutwar ale borwo kele mi basi konyokotoreton lakwanikan walwo lainitab China aya akonyokolangsian basit akoi asiti nekibare Shenzhen kokinomiten any asiti nekibare Shenzhen koyoton any ko lazima ilany train ichome anan komechome ko amun kiotindoi some Chinese tuteno ko kiomuche ang'alal amun en ireu komomi chi neng'ololen niitu ireu komomi chi neng'ololen Kingereza ing'ololun ine Chinese alanye taxi ale imutan mpaka train station ko train station ot elekibo 20 bob konyokomutan Chinese uon ki 500 ko kinocheru ane akere ale 500 500 ko nekit 9,000 imagine eleten nekit 2 kilometers imagine ko ng'alan ine lakini sawa aititoi Shenzhen train station inoto it's massive it's big mengen ile ano kwano Jehova kiaseret inye kinalany elevator barak aweke anyorugei aweke kweny kora ana bagishek chukan alany okimokonye ot elevator kimokonye kibore ne escalator ile kiokonye escalator kinoker escalator awendi korong sobur en taban kole itomu akiboriokyi ole awirchi bagishek chu koiboti aweke kweny tor abirchi any bakasit ale ikere kakoyait koker kasit kole kayait kasit koleon cheng chito neming'in cheng a young person nemiten yoton akikochi simoit aya akochini simoit komwochi any nini kole mongen kolany train ilang'si train ko kiik very helpful nia Chinese inoton kole akonomwon bagishek akomutan any alany train any mpaka destination nekikait kotab my cousin.
So kait kotab your cousin Faith ko ipkolya so menyone sukul mwaiwech kitikin akobo kiwal visait kong'ung'et amu koitebi kenyisiek 5 nguno kiyai ne anan kimwou ne iyai ne ako kimwochi bichu kaba gaa ilechi ako manyone ane sukul anan mateimwochi
amwa siketaran sikusema I actually didn't say ko kinaitite kotab my cousin kitakibur kiten koleon na inabidi tutafute nini kecheng kasit because nyoru kesustainengei ko kiabulune kimongen ki ko kinomi kotab my cousin kibur ak my cousin nekit a week koleon my cousin ikere ne Faith kakoyam kolyan ibecheng kasit so kochengwon kasit en another aweke Shenzhen ini gaa amun Shenzhen ko much bigger koleon anyo Shenzhen amun kimi agent nekisire biik kasit en yoton ko kinaitu in asit noton nebo Shenzhen konyo man ko ki agent ini kimako chito nekararan ingele bichu ne nang'alalen Kipsigis bichu yellow ko they are money business money or they are making money so what this agent does kobo kocheng'u sukulit neinetishei aya ko mara kalipani sukul mara 20,000 konam mara 15,000 konde mabuket akokone 5,000 so bo kocheng'u sukul ibeinetishe akoi mshahara chonguk akinyokotile rabinik ko kinait kotab agent noton remember kotindoi 30 days kaatar 1 week en kotab my cousin atatindoi 3 weeks kityo abur any aboroititoi kule sikaret en chep Chinese yandani gaa o chep Chinese neming'in neuon bo 25 years inye keleon inye itui nia keleon nyolu itwal ak lagok ingen itwal iman twal any kinetan any ele kinetitoi lagok en oli. Kiloni twal kabisa kikibule non inye. Asise kabisa sole sinan kerib is kasit karara yewechok chi ajaliade kora. So I stayed in this agent. Ko ki agent ni ko kiiben biik passport. Kiiben biik passport.
Kotom keibenin passport kasing'ung ko ne kakisirin iyai ne iyoe ne en kasini kakisirin iegu mwalimu.
Mwalimu.
Ako inete amu makase biik Ingereza so inete na anan kotoretin Chinese chu kiainetkei.
Inete en ireu melen ile maui I think maui kinet Ingereza en China. Aringen it's just a new language. So inete ngunon kou lagokab Nazareth. Ko mara keborchini an apple. Melen kityo apple kokanai kole apple inoni ko machungwat inoni iborchini kityo kou noto. Ako I had some basic Chinese. But mi biik chekimakongen nini chekimakongen nini noton ako kinetishe kora lakini kikinet en yono. And then somehow keng'et kit nekitoreton ako kit neking'etu paka neraini. Abur ine, but to some extent, let me tell you, God lives and God go great. Amun kinaitite koaton ko kimiten foreigners alak chekibo emotinwek alak. Ako kinoker ine eleburto asa Jehova kale Jehova matinobur kouni. Ale toreton kabisa. Ale matinobur kabisa. Matinobur kouni. Amun kikimakomiten condition nekikararan. Amun kieten ini ko kiibenin passport akoyain overstay. Ko yekai overstay so now she can control you. Imuche ko controlen ngunon amun lein ngunon nibaro mara kotinyoru a better job en olda age ko lein akurchin police. You are an overstay. Akurchin police. So ko kiiben biik passport akong'ete nini akonam kucontrolen it. But miraculously hakuchukua yangu. Moib nenyu. But anyway ko kimacham ine condition nekimiten ine biik in foreigners choton but ko kiagere ko comfortable amu kiagere ale at least kimiten ak foreigners alak kimiten ak biikab gaa alak so at least here I'm comfortable. Ko kiamache abur en koaton lakini kong'et any Jehova nekiyoiwon ine match. It was a miracle for me. For me to be here today ko ki a miracle. Kong'et lakwet age nekimi sukulit age en yelo kiten en noton kometo kasit. Kelon inye amun koitu komeburen ko. Asom kabisa ale bakaktan abur kabisa. Kelon achicha. Raini iwendi in sukulit nilo. Ko ki sukulit noton ko I didn't have to live in that house. Ko kiyoche iboburen any en kotab sukul en yoton. Boburan en kotab sukul. Ko kinomiten gaa ko kimiten my cousin age nekinolonye ndegeit koleon nam nambarishek chu chichi ko miten Hong Kong ako manager nebo wakimbiaji o kitoreti my husband en olibo Hong Kong. Kimoleon ot kitoreti kileon ak biikat kityo. Ko kinokawe any sukulinin ko katar nekit 1 week totindoi wiki mbili ko expire my passport. Only 2 weeks ko expire my passport. So taburan ko kinawe sukulini besho ko kaboekane ale kiarire subuhi ale sasa nimeanza kujua what is happening to me, what am I doing. Amun kiabwati ale koto kiangeng'alal ak biik kole ko kianamwan ale I will overstay. Ale overstay amun makoi aweke gaa bolelen en gaa. Ibo after 2 weeks ko keiweke gaa kora oni kikelipanun ndegeit. Oni gaa ko kibiik ine che melen sile we are not like well off. Telen le mi rabinik chekechesonen achicha mami rabinik choton. So ale me I will overstay ale ne nachal kityo. Aka relaxen abure sukulini kan but kit nekikiyaan en sukulini is my personality. I'm an outgoing person. When mwalimu yekine chebo oli kemoe ine cartoon ine and I'm a cartoon number 1. My cartoon hello ibeitwal ak logen yon entertain ane kwane kwa entertain ane koyam kabisa. So I entertain loge chama en sukulini kan kotomo wikit agenge abwa nambarishek chu kikakonon anan kang'alal soiti
Acha no sasa.
So uangangala soiti bila na stop. So kimi nambarisha tukikokonon my cousin enka. Ale ni nagatit this person nikikokonon my cousin. Achile simboit. Kobirwo alechi kityo hello kole mateben anot kare kole koitu en China ale kole imi tourists alechi that person was an angel from God kole ani titindoi wikishek ata ale atindoi wiki kole bakach kasino ale bakach kasit kole kosir ngo kasinoto alechi Eva kolyon chankilyonon ak criminal ni mwei bakin abotan anyole kame aira akabaranene kabisa kolyon criminal iste kilyon iste ale ara kokilyonin kilipanano kora kasisiek koai kasit nekit wikishek kilyon bakach kasino ale kolyon chichi abakach kasit kolyon tomo wikit agenge kolyon ani visa itindoi plan ainon alechi kwamwan obati kolon kakeratin cho ayanam anyarire simbo kolon kanyo keibin polisi kole ile rire ko chon ibe irire sela ale kai baraika kolon talk up immediately get out of that place immediately kanyes abangan ges kikamwe tot ngoroik kitwonen ngoroik it was I think it was summer spring ko kiorobta nia ale ne kosoyo ot ngoroik the next day the next day subui kora kobirwo kolyon keimande ale ne sanyo koro kolyon chichoton is a resident nebo Hong Kong is married to an Australian in Hong Kong kolyon atindoi my cousin nemiten Shenzhen noton kolyon niet en yono immediately moteru sukulit noton akiwe kotab my cousin nguni and imagine kot Chinese saa saba koruitos saa saba en kindergarten Chinese ngunon ndenyone China olombo from 12 to 2 koruitos biik chechang inyorune streets ko empty ame lunch Chinese akeruyo baka saa 8 keng'etyo so akanyon koruyo kianam in backpack ak passport akalabatinye kinokose abore kisibwo akibachut taxi akawenyi kinokose abore moe konyokokurchon ifany nikam polisi akawan
ilabati nguni tu ibinyoru chit kai ako
kakekonon address
sitakane
amwachini biik story ni si matkochesanen moe kabisa niwendi bitonin actually go with the correct visa and go and know what you are going to do there ndabuchi meat kasit moroisi
kotestai ne saa hiyo Faith takane through akimwawech ile from there ako mut kora expounded ile mut kobwa China biik kobun oratunwek ata sikotakanoba balozi.
Okay. So just I went to that that cousin of his. Alafu goli wanani, you need to exit immediately to Hong Kong. Amuni in Hong Kong, kogi visa free to Hong Kong. Amunis nyoche sa exit in China, but komo atandai rabinik cho exit in awendi ga. Goli chani, what you do, you need to look for a visa free country. He exited. So I exited to Hong Kong. Kogi ngebe Hong Kong. So I thought hata nitanyimu Hong Kong because I didn't have any show money. I didn't have anything but the confidence. Confidence negi komutu mpaka you meet the Ryan. Kya wane border keleon what are you going to do in Hong Kong? I said I'm a tourist, blah blah blah. I'm coming to buy some few things. Aga Hong Kong. And when I went to Hong Kong, I exited it. Hong Kong gave on 3 months for Kenyans. We are visa free for 3 months. And I stayed in Hong Kong. Ki mutanani, ki boru wanani, ki mi hotel, ten hotel. Ki bare Chungking Mansion. Ko Chungking Mansion ni no go mainly go foreigners. Ko mi te room itabu Kenya. Mango go to go mingu. En Chungking Mansion go give me room 110. Ko room itabu Kenya no ni we gito. O ti oto na gi table Kenyan room. Kele in 110 block A. Ni te torit ko mi Kenya sia chang na che gi konye visa. So when I arrived in that room, ko kikichang kabilet, kikichang kabilet age neno mwogan kikichang nia, kikimenye ngeles ko it's not very cheap. It's not very cheap. So we had to share a room. A lot of people. A lot of people. So what we used, those go shida naman. Ko kikibure en Hong Kong, ake apply and visa. Yeka inyoru visa, ko kikikonin achamben from tourist visa, ako change it to business visa, ake chut to China for 1 month. Kinyo ke chut to China, kaya kasit for 3 weeks, ake exiten kora. Each country ne exiteni. So you could exit to Hong Kong, Macau, Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, kounot. I exiteni to visa free countries, aginye kasit kunoto. Tatu ninyoru 1 year nekiba business. Okay, no, you're 1 year nebo business. Can go on 1 year nebo business, but still multiple entry. After 30 days, you need to exit and then come back again. Yeah.
So Faith, kaiboisien nito ni wendi mandai iweksei ko kabinyoru kasit ngolin anan yekakekonin ne ibiyai ne kainyoru nebo in tourist anan kainyoru nebo in business ibiyai mungaret anan ibiyoe ne?
So kine kitamoyo ko kianyone kinawege back from in kinawege kile kimiten ne kora my cousin ko kiguidena kinawege back anyochu to China ko konon ni bae ademu akanyoru in a rich Chinese family chekimache in kineti log Ingereza kimache private classes na ninyoru in a rich family cheleinin mamache lokwa kosomanen training school komache private classes chebo law. So I got them and they wakanipenda nikaanza kufunza watoto kizungu tatungole anja inisi notani kagere ma mwalimu ne kararan because I'm very good with kids ane kwa kararan kabisa kids. I really love joking, I really love playing. Itam ko leano mama ani fe te ichezon yok lo kora chito neteni nye. So nguni naweke ka yon kawe ka nguni log tugul kot kele itura Faith konyo mpaka saa 3 nebo kemo marue chi because they know I really love them, they know I'll take them goodies and what. So ko kya kole Chinese noton ni kinoneti log koker kole koker progress nebo log kole ani kinam business akinam sukul ak Chinese noton. So that is how nilikuwa na make pesa ako ki understand in ngalek ab visa betunoto ko kimako strict mising kiinete biik kiinete chini ya maji. It was I didn't kimotindoi the correct documents ma chekinetini but you could teach kimo as long as komewirote chi as long as komewagate me disturb chi ko kimakotebenin chi anything, nobody could ask you anything. So ko ki understand and this Chinese boss ko kitamonyone kityo ko ye kanyoru 1 year business kinanyoru 1 year business ko ki the difference nekibo in 1 month ak 1 year ko ki 1 month ko kiamuche angen ini ki 1 month ko kiawendi Hong Kong akibakany visa for 2 weeks. So nguno ko kiawendi Hong Kong akaburen Hong Kong 2 weeks tatun kochobok visa awege China but kinotinye nebo 1 year ko kitam ki exiteni kimuche ngunon iwe ngunon eleu Malaysia akibeibir about ibeiburen airport for 1 hour akiwege kora.
So Faith
iberberge ne airport iberberge akichute next flight iwege kora.
So Faith ngalechu tugul chu kako memeche iwege gaa so kikoi kotoimwochi biik ilechi kiawe kuni anan kikonai anan meche sokonai nguno anan akoi kinyoru nebo ata nguno akoi inyoru nebo kenyisiek ata anan akot itesetai mungaret kong'ung'et kotou sukul ak mogoriot kong'ung'et. So i business owner part of the owner nebo mung'arani kitou.
So
Balozi akotesyi Faith akitesyi biik chemuch kikolokyo chekwa tos ine ng'oliot nebo kamang'unet kot komuch komi kii netikoparate. Yes, and then une oloto ngioparetene chit ya maji ko tos ipenyan anan tuita eng China.
Before COVID ko kipenyoni biik nia especially chepkokoi kimi biik ko chekikobur 10 years as long komekalchi Tamegal chi ibure na komye mami chi ne kiteben anything, but after COVID konam go strict ako ban and training schools. Yeah, so ko inde na mwa koginome no nye kora achukagi exit ni chukagi kichutu age exit ni kichutu by the way kiro chutu China negin 70 times 070 kinyi passport stamps imejaa yote kila mahali, imejaa kwanza, ya pili niko katikati amu kikibendi akewekse just like that, and it was kiui kasit kabilet amun kimakouiyot amun kiui ako kimakouiy kora amun kinyeyoe kasit inam rabinik choton ialen ndege, alafu kinam ibune ndege tor koyait metit kora amun after every 3 weeks ko kiyoche ilany ndege. You can imagine going and coming, it was very disturbing. Ako kiabune immigration process amun is yon imondoi ko lazima ibune immigration, yon iweksei kora ibune immigration akilenoti nini. So another thing nekikotoreton kinam aburen koleon chito amae simoit ayokyi simoit ko kinam ayokte nenan koleon chito alwon laptop, alji laptop makateshini akane chechuk asigen vitu kidogo kidogo ko kiateshini business, lakini Chinese ni kikanyokinam business tuan ko kimakoya kipen well o kikono en brew normal kekonin kot for free, kokonon kot, food, anything. It was I was comfortable. Ot rabinik che kyo exiten en yoton ko moik shida until anye Chinese chu ko they value you when they yani I don't know how to explain Chinese people. Yes, and ot nyalu koriben ganyin government nebo Kenya kabisa amun bichu yo mache kitinye ninyi hakuna kitu hawezi kukufanyia enoli kinginome business, they can take you to dinners, they can take you for vacations, they can buy you anything you want. You're not in your biashara tu. So what happened? Kiyaga in biashara not kikia. Nyo introduce na nyin age ne. Nyo introduce jorwenyu. Ka et business nega. Nyo introduce jorwenyu nebo tulwe na market. Nyo ko tu konyo better than me. Koker Chinese kole ha karadidi batulwe le wani jedu waka tuito di kogi ngele Chinese ko prefer ne koron especially color kigere le wan kalap geidi no nye ke wira ninje betu danga kityo kikilon we are sorry kai getesta again kai getesta kasit tangino, so they kicked me out. Awege kora awege yuko miten my cousin negane awege yuko miten my cousin kidogo so from there kingo kikeno out anai ole bak mauyot kenyor kasit yoto ko kichang nia kasishek amun kyawe nemi my cousin anyawe kora kasit age nekimile kibore Chongshan inyawe like nilikafanya makazi hapo katikati akateseta kityo exit chugan akoi tuna nyotuye na chitab Kalenjin anyaege nekikuren Obed en olimbo Shanghai ko kikituye en kutitab chego nekitinye akitakechaten alechi imoni ngalekab visa kuleon kalia meat kampunit en Shanghai kuleon kalia meat kampunit en Shanghai si solve ngalekuk chebo visa simate exit, and that is when I opened a company in Shanghai, and that is when now at least I will stabilize from there, and that is what like made me buranyi paka nguni.
Ko in business nebo ne nekayat nguno ngoloto
nebo kibo import and export ak in athletes, but kinoyote business ni ko ki 2018 kobekunote atya kingo 2019 komanam COVID komakomi athletes chekichutu ako kikere kama kora maybe imports chon kibo avocados. That is what we were trying to do. Atya kokonon kora visa amun kinotindoi my own company kiyota company akekonin office akekonin visa.
So Faith ngototinye avocado akayogun anan iyoe like kele itinye kampunit nebo athletes chenyokorue eng kolotok ichengchini races ngo inyendet anan chengchin ngo ako ngobwa kotebe ano ako ngot kotindoi Janet avocado ngolimbo kakoyokyin ano?
Ngalekab avocado any chebo Kenya ko makingen any ot akechek chekimi China makingen any kele kinyokokwomonjon. Uon tom koik active that process amun kikinam kampunit amun specially kikonyo president ak kinyokemwa mongen ale kinyokomeunen ano ngalechoto amun is mami tom makingen cheibu avocado kole ko ngo. Kikenam kisibon ngalechoto komatakenai kele kibetyi ano ngalekab avocado che makingen. Komakibur any kesongoe ko at least nguni ko kiobed no kimwon idea nebo to open a company ko kikone koik shareholder. Ko inendet ko ki manager nebo athletes. Ko kiborwon ko kiimutu in athletes kobwa China nyokorwai atya they make some money and that is how yani the company could find races. He find any races for athletes atya ko invitation athletes kobwa kounoton any akinyokorwai atya koweka but komata ko progressen kampunit noton amun en ngalekab COVID. Ko ngalekab avocado ne komakingen ele kikwomonunen. Kiabwat besho kele kimoe wany kulait anan weke fridge toek kele bogedo. Lakini it was my dream. In my dream inne kinoker kabisa. Kina asis kole akere kabisa ndoi avocado container ko kaanget kabisa. Amun man expensive avocado, it's a rare commodity in Europe.
Ko in faith, so kelji nebo kukaiyat kampunit komaiyexiteni ku yekiwendis anan kikonin chamchinet itebi for how long ngoloto ba China?
Kikayat kampunit nekitindo 30 years.
Oh.
Nekitindo kibo 30 years that company. Lakini komait corona any. Komanget any anyoru a school that can transfer my visa from that company to the school. Sinyononetis agane legally without fearing anything, without doing anything. So from then kingoyoiwon transfer school komangeten kampuni en olimbo Shanghai.
So imi nguno in ole imite inetishe ak ineti what do you teach?
So before ko kianetishe in a training school. Kianetishe training school ko ki training school ko in sukulit nebo bone logab sigik chotindo amun English ko very expensive in China. Studying English is the most expensive subject in China. Ingereza. So ko kitindoi sukulit ko ki a training school ko ngete lagok yon katar class bet ko kibwone langat ko kitam kebendi achek sukul kityo langat ko kibwone langat lagok ak nyokosoman but kebanen China oino waliban.
So what do you do now?
Ko kingebanen ko ki my previous boss nongichobwo visa ko kitindoi nekis sukulishek mut ko ngetyi nekis sukulishek oeng ko leon ara kilyon no fe ko leon kaikai kinam biashara. Akere ale COVID nguni uo monomene business amun kimoe ke exporten tuguk koba Kenya. Akere ale uo monomonomi nini. Abir transfer anyon any kindergarten.
So kongoi mangen ose ate itinye tebut.
Atinye tebut ameche angen ale kakomwa ngalek chechang Faith na tumejifunza mengi. Ameche kityongani summarize on Faith. Kinyorundo ano visa nebo tourist ngotko meche chito nebo tourist kinyorundo ano visa nebo business ngotko meche chito nebo business anan ngotko meche ibotoi business in China, how easy or hard is it?
Faith ameche kora itesti ngotko mi chito bichu kakosube chu tugul chu cheboto kimito okot Janet ko interested in ngalekab mungaret. What advice imwochini ne chito neisubeni ilechini ngotinyo ko kaikai ngiro simanyo chito because we cannot exit all of us more than 70 times. Ingiro ne koikoi?
First of all, how much I'm got that story, frankly, I'm because saizi kino mangu when I came out some people have reached me me somebody negi richana ne mi Thailand negi kibu nagne duarista ko kwa Thailand guni ko me acha chiga machi tugul ne kichechu ne ko kichoba ne kiger ne choba kole mie na tore lakwane situni nyogomwa en Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin kokono shuda dabuchi kom magara kamwa that story so na ole moroisi mangegoni kityo visa olany ndegeit ko unoto kityo so tourist visa ko biik cheboisien ko biik chetindoi rabinik like genuinely if you are coming for business genuinely kenyone for business it is really good and it is very easy you just book a hotel you can even use I think they meet some agents they walinisaidia sana kwa hiyo process but it is it's like 15,000 tourist visa. It's like just 15,000 and you don't need anything. You just book a hotel. Again, a tourist in a destination and you go for your visa. You don't even need like to show anything. Business visa. Business visa. Business visa. Invitation. A company in China or invite and go to meet in that company. You can use there are some people a company name invited in total tourist business visa within 5 days 5 working days and you don't need anything you just need your passport makiteben note ki en embassy we goite kityen dirisha kegon wendi China ne kawendi boalishe kou noto kityo you don't even need anything you don't take medical mami anything unaingia mongen komuche kowelel rules after covid ko mongen imuche ngele nguni kokonam mongen ale alen ismae kowelel akichek ni chechwaget so biikab business especially biikab Kalenjin komuche kobwa biik inye chon tindoi rabinik chon maot kele chetindoi rabinik mising business people because before covid ko ki return flight kama mimi niliweza na sikukuwa na chochote jatindoi 40,000 so biik chebo business return flight back to China ko nekit around 80,000 kotam agere kokoe kobwane ak nyoko loaded containers in Guangzhou and then you don't know where to start because sometimes nani alen Alibaba ak ialen eBay ko won nani nyoru kine ka maimache ka quality ko kamukonoto you can just to come to Guangzhou inyon in Canton Fair mi kine kebare Canton Fair nemiten China and it's a very big show nekiyoe for 1 month it's massive nekiyoe for 1 month kobwane manufacturers tugul en China kokeshinge Guangzhou ak nyokotuitos ak buyers ko ngunon kotokemache kemache supply nebo simoishek inyotuitosi ak factory nechobe simoishek face to face ak kongalal and they are very trustable people they are very good at business yekakoker kole like wewe ni customer yomuche ongalal tuan siko supply nun tuguk so abwati ale biik chon imuche kobwa Canton Fair komuche kobwa akobwa Guangzhou akobwa Canton Fair kitindoi wakale chemiten in Guangzhou kina Gidi kotindoi ot Gidi wako wamefungua makampani ya companies chebo shipping na kotindoi kobwane biik en a group komuche nyokomutate around but even in China I'm trying in life aborchini biik how it is easy to move around China it's very easy you can just come to Guangzhou book a hotel ko betut neteseta Canton Fair show kindoi yani kongen chi tugul akobo Canton Fair so you can just look for the word Canton Fair in Chinese ko nibor chitab taxi anan iwe metro kongen chi tugul kole Canton Fair kwano imuche inyon ak inyoru gang manufacturers and then you come and buy your things and then you go ko ngalekab kasit neno mwogan amun ngalekab kasit kwane ko kiiman chechu amun inginet Kiingereza ko illegal kilet Ingereza en China non-native speaker the only country that is allowed konet Ingereza in China ko South Africa inegen South Africa amun South Africa ko native speaker lakini amun en government nenywanet ko ngunon kasome kabisa ot ambassador angen na ambassador Mama Sarah Serem tafadhali ananijua kabisa personally she is my friend so kasome kabisa don't negotiate nda negotiateni government nenyonet ako negotiaten kosamwe kasishek kochop amun nibeker content nekinete melen ile Ngereza ne Ngereza chebek Ngereza chebo ABCD ne kwani komagingen wa Kenya Ngereza chebo ABCD lebejen ABCD ango ki legelele magimuche. So they can negotiate the way mara amun South Africans they are not native speakers like it depends with the alliance negotiate the government. So there are so many jobs to English but kotam go netishe bik chini ya maji because magichomjin in konetin magichomjin konetin Ngereza in wa Kenya kichomjin kityo in Americans, UK, Canada, and New Zealand, and Australia. Those are the countries that are allowed to teach legally.
What is the advantage? Okay, netishe legally ako ne tos une tos ningis lolet anan elaborate a little bit you amujang bik chemuch kosubech ako kase ako makyinge chenge bik opportunity akimwawech iashwano ile ngotag Rosen from Australia amun ngap kole mami Rwanda isakot kotos nyoko fevana China anan tos nyoko uriangan mising ngalolji bik kora chemi different parts of the world bik chemi Australia what are the advantages gotik Rosen?
Okay, so advantages nena wangereza or also was subject teachers. Advantages mara skomingales miten in mara kiprono kama sa maybe osea kama maybe ikotitinda citizenship na Australia na kuna US and kuna so maybe you can teach in high school or maybe you can teach in anything about English. But I think it's more ganine to mana inole unera vieten olimba Australia and olimba US and but what I can say in China it is very relaxing, especially tamagi konyoru wango kasi ni kyoyoe before entering school kyowendi kasit saa tisa anan ko saa nane ak nusu awawe kasit iba abur buch en kasit ak anetishe for only 2 hours per day ak aweke gaa and they were paying very well. It was I think it was amun I don't know if is it good I share. No, it's not good. They were paying very well. They were paying good. Ago another it is very relaxed. Ago kasi ni oya ni kwanyo na nyinguni kwagere ko chilangi iten kabisa lakini oya kasi from Monday to Friday but mele nile oya kasi tene from Monday to Friday ago endi kasi kongete subui baka langate but no mi kasi to ye mine amine ga yemet amun aneti kids ade aneti log for 30 minutes ocho so manjini usinye twaleni in machungwa tinone kebungu tinone and I have a lot of freedom. Another advantage in China, this house is free of charge. I've never paid rent in China. You don't pay rent. They give you a house for free, fully furnished. Everything. Fridge kila kitu unapewa in China. So those ones, free housing. Alafu rabini kwa uon anaweza ne do mara nyalo albantax line. Ale mlibani boss lakini mong. Aina nege kona rabini koto magetel tax ko magengeni ono mena rabinik kyuk ine akoba ane kou doto kotom ketilatil alafu biik alak che wajanja niger nguno mara biik chumba tulwet komuche konam chito rabinik akong'et nini akwalishe rabinik choton akidapolen kora imuche ial mosiget akiyokte koba gaa. So it has so many advantages, especially yoni industrials, so it is very advantageous. Alafu yoni wendi kaa kora nango mailipan ndege. How? Nango mailipan ndege. Because the reason this is a place of business. Oki kinango kometinye rabinik akimache iwe gaa iipchini biik mosiget. Mara kakonin is 46 kg. Kakonin is 46 kgs. You sell the kgs, and when you sell the kgs, they go in mara $13 per kg. But $13 times 46 times that like a Mara Iliban de 20,000 bara 20. Makaliban de in it
Teshi kora kotikeli ngalekab visa hii nani Faith ngalekab is it possible in China yeku nini possible at some stage yeku citizen eng emetab China kit age nemeche iteshi kora ile angot imi fan what about ngap kekere eng emotinwechu Much inamchigei chi nebo within that area ko automatically i-moven. Is it working in China anan tokostayat kasit?
Oh, China onde tuni bat yemene kikolia magoni citizenship. Iketude bush. Magoni bichu. That is the disadvantage I have. China go Nairobi. Ibe yoe kasit kityo akiwe kongu. Onde tun Chinese, onde tinye law, kokoni visa nebo 1 year akirenewen kila. Kot kochanga ko mara 2 years akirenewen kila. Matin ko kiitunishe, matin ko kiitinye law. Kimiten another incident nekikinam chito nekitun Chinese tindo look somok ak Chinese pass. Lakini kikinam konetishe illegal maje. Kedipote lo tindo family en ro kowakya foreigners pakiwe kora. Kowakya foreigners pakiwe. But biik che tindo advantage missing en China ko chebo subject teachers. Sciences somanani ka. Heta makika somane. Hesabu, chemistry, physics, economics, maths. Hawa watu wanakula mzuri.
So kongoi Faith kakisubu bandang'ung kongoi ng'alechu tugul chu. Kakebwa Faith kisubu bandang'ung'eni kebwa ang nekakeitu China ang nekimi China is Faith booked kikebuken Faith ni anan tomo. Mara komi chi nekakosubech akolen oye kacham chito ne akeren biik eng yu kakosir alake kole kole I like nyikanatetng'ung your courage neitinye. Komara mangen kot kokanye ilo lakini anan kolyon so is Faith booked and what are the limitation Faith?
Ne natari in koroni. Ne natar something small. Makikonech visa nebo kinetishen Kiingereza. But kikonin visa legally inetishe subject. Subject teachers ko matindo problem. So kot imuche inet chemistry, biology, physics, maths ak economics. We echinacitiz.com ak inde profile neng'ung'et ak iker kot tos inyoru sukul. Kot inyoru sukul en those subject teachers, they will give you a visa koma limited. It is only Kiingereza ne limited. But imuche inetishe legally onde bunu Kenya ta ingen ko mwalimu nebo hesabu. Isiche kasit ako kot isich kasit en yoton ko kasit noton koechinda kembi.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, because okay, let me say the range. Because atin kitindo yonini chebo Kalenjin chenetishe ro. Tos kobwa onani olangat en ro. Mshahara chebo subject teachers en ro kongete 600, 500, 600, 700 na ngota ko 800 per month, house free, tax free, flight free.
Wow, Faith,
Food free.
I'm an economist, so like
Food free.
Ngaga kibet teachers college.
Ngaga kibet teachers college.
Yeah.
Faith,
So
I have a
subject
question.
teachers, ukiweza subject teachers, it is really lucrative.
Faith, requirement sinigonetis chito, do you have to be speaking Chinese? Akimwa kora ile requirement nebo that exam nekakemwa at kaitai lazima itindoi Chinese. Ndio watu wajue ana requirements kone sinigonetis chito amu angen ale kakoker biik. I'm sure tuko na watu wanaenda kupanda the next flight to China.
Requirements, especially neno ngalalen subject teachers because they can legally teach. Pagati nye chugachuk ne ko ne courageous ne. Ako ko mai ko strict nguni. Kiyole kije ko kikimuche kengen nini. But requirements chebo nini ta itindoi a degree, a bachelor's. For example, tinye tishe en hesabu itindoi a bachelor's nebo maths. Anan itindoi bachelor's nebo electrical nini. Imuche nyengen nini. Kot itindoi bachelor's mara nebo yani nenomege ak subject noton nebo economics, bachelor's nebo economics, so you can qualify. But nguni recently kokoleano langatin. Koleano langat, I have 2 Kalenjin chenetishe. Kokoleano nguni kokomai koteb license. Nombo TAC moche kotebtebe nini. Kokotebteb nguni. But imuche iapply mokingen kele after COVID ngele bichu kochame kochange rules. So they can go meet anot company ne chang nia in Wakale nekikuren Deep Point Education. chame nia ngokerin wa Kenya komut. So yes. Ana ko kete bana nenye.
No,
Wow, tuan kile
katomo
kete bana.
meche sikeweke nekai kameche in faith kateb chi kole tos mi age limit eng mwalimuinik ako in this subject teaching nekemwoe ko ngotanyo ane ko mwalimuyotab hesabu anete ne Kiingereza anan
Yeah. Kiingereza.
Okay, so
otin Rotich ak inani konetishe mang'alale Chinese.
Okay.
English. Because in sukulishek choton koma sukulishek chebo Chinese chu normal international schools. International schools. Curriculum nenywan koron ko chubo mwalimu chubo IT parneni IGCSE chubo British curriculum sijui ne.
So kongoi amu mara komi chito nekiyai science kiyai chemistry ibinetishe Kiingereza tukyo tugul ngeweke let ng'oliot kai nekotokosubech biik kora kotokotebe biik kole is this girl or this lady booked anan tomo ako what are the limitations?
Ngono kateb swali lori.
Mateb chi lakini komwa ale mara komi chi ne kakosub ako kakebwa bane tugul ni mateb chi lakini maybe kateb on their behalf what are the limitations are you booked or no?
Hey, Toma, takemi gron kechengse.
So kongoi nye faith kongoi ngotkomenye abwati ale ngotkomi chi ne serious
Kwagere labat time kabisa. Kwagere kokele zenge. Iliane ninye.
So kongoi ngotko ingele kararan kora kemwochi kelechi mongen ale ngotko kany murechu anan komakany ngap kokase chito koker kole acha kaiwe ine amu except cho tugul cho but we wish you the very best Faith and thank you so much and may God continue to prosper you eng tukyo tugul ju. So Faith, imite nguno oli kaitebi kenyisiek mut koinyoru kasi nye imite ameche ing'ololji anan ngateb ale ibalansendoi ano sukul anan kasit neiyoe ak sobet nebo kotugul like I mean ngimi China tos ing'et ak ile okay what are your leisure things that you do lo memi sukul anan amu akele biik abuli ko ngeba ko saa 8 komakomi chi street tukyo tugul ju. How do you balance your work, school ak tukyo tugul ju ak language ngolinam kararan amu kikenetkei language, so what do you do?
Balozi akoteshi Faith akiteshi koiwalu kora komi myoni keborye kebalansani kokoit myondo age nebo kaimetab kabwatutik. So une ngulaba China ngap otinye such challenges anan tricky amu sai ngeng'ololi kokiyat emet kimi corona so koyatak emotinwek chechang akobendi biik kabisa lonye shukani olebo Australia, America. So ng'olyo akekosian akobo myondo nebo kaimetab kabwatutik much ko explainen Balozi.
So in other words, in Kiingereza ko ne mental health, like ako kiune ng'oliotab ingele ngeng'alale COVID kunekit ko king'ete olongwong. How was it? Like how did you guys overcome it?
Hey, kiyakasitan aose anendet kingonome COVID ko kiami Shanghai, kikaitu buch en gaa. Kiaitu buch en gaa kabur wikit agenge konam COVID. So, but kikityem ine, kikibur ine ak kisib ine rules. Bichu ko they are very good at ngele leadership nebo Chinese ko autocratic. Na ile ngele mabire kura Chinese, ngele mabis ngale chomba kura en ro. Hakuna. So, ngole government kibur en go ko teiminet. Obur en go. No jokes. Ako ikere nguno kakiyumke nguno kemenya one community. Ko each community ko tindoi biik chekisibi each community. ko kikichobe kabisa communities choton ak kiarrange kabisa like ni mondoi but they are very organized people. Chinese people go very organized, like kini itite gate mara ko kelen kewendi ano ibeyal tuguk ak iweke kou noton. Kimokomi missing in movement, lakini ko kimi challenge choton amun kimoketindoi kasisiek en yoton, but we managed in noton bo corona. But after uon kanyokopoan corona kiten konam kowek normal sabet. Nguni mi some neighboring cities nguni chekokonam kora. But how they manage, you just follow where the mask, like community to community, we have the QR code. I think everybody, hata nyinyi mko na. Obaishe is QR code.
Na social security anane.
Acha. So we mostly use I can show you. I don't know. Let me see. So we have this one. This is what we use. Unaona. So ngunon megere igere pandas koboru kole amiten Chengdu. I don't know if my phone can show you. Koboru ngunon kole amiten Chengdu. So igere QR code ninyun nawe anywhere, nawe tuget ko lazima ibe iscan. Komi machine ne iscaneni. Alafu iniger QR code ninyunet kotindoi in all my health records. Koboru ngunon kole chichi ko kakebiman, chichi ko tom kebiman, COVID vaccination, koboru nucleic acid, koboru declare scan it, koboru everything, koboru kole amiten Chengdu. No move ngunon awe to another city, koboru kole kako move chichi. So hii kitu like ina kumonitor kila kitu. So alafu ngobit COVID ngunon ko kou nguni nearly every week ko bwane biikab COVID nyoketeste notok ak upload information. So people are being monitored using the phone, which I think they are conquering it very fast. They are able to manage everybody very fast. Alafu kokemwa kora in ngalekab depression, they are real because in 2018 and 2017 I lost a friend through mental health, depression. Kokia lose a friend of mine in Emoni boy China. It kityo chito tor koker chito kole eya ka machina asito ka wa emet age nibsengwe kole mamuche ngalekab nini. So it is real. I remember in before I came here kokia miten a small city, a city ne mami chito ne tui, mami foreigner, Chinese kityo. Yani, and I could feel it because kiengen before ko kitam kyoe exit ko kin kanyoru kasit ko kin ano exit nawe ka ko ki every year ko kyoendi ka ko exit, but kongeten konam COVID ko tomo awe ka nguni for this is the third year and you could feel it. Tomo awe ka nimande bi megere chito ne tui okot, yani ibure nyegen torile uan kasilile ni nyema uan ma normal kasi ibure ba gotono ne metit, but ko kinono to this place kidogo uan kalap kaitan somehow uan kalap kait kidogo uan mitten foreigners kidogo. Yes.
Kongoi Faith. So Faith, ameje ingololji young people kero ing emetab Kenya kwa mfano ko unemployment rate komi barak, you know, we are talking of over 40% young people akotar biik sukul matindo boisiet neyoe. And then koimgei biik no ikose kele no ye katil chito sobet amu katuit tai kokotar university. Imwachini ne young people chemi gaa, and you know, like, do you see any opportunities imuche kwai ne ing olin baga, you know, biik cheisubech, biik chemengechen, sigik kikwalda koret, kwalda tuguk chetinye sikosomesane in lagochu, and then nyawe komami kasi. What do you tell young people your age chukotare sukul? What do you tell them?
What I can say korone kineta like apart from kasitab nebo classwork inye ko what else can you do apart from that classwork? Kotomi gi ne ichome mara kama ni biashara kidogo kama ni nini ko like onge aitos ko wele wa Janet kole onge aitos side hustles kora kotomi something that you like doing onge teste side hustle. Alafu kina kyoger kita enge ne kiroger en China masase kasit bichu They really work. Nigero young people go be indi the business kulione. That is what I can tell people. Ngana ngora ko pagile na ngom ko kengololi ak big ye boyon ngora kolelen big onani na biashara kolulo kongeche mati anyi sobenia matonge igun depressed nan komwo chito that story le uonga kai ni kanyune. But also again I don't know mango go to education system enga anan wenye economy enga anane because machi mwawe chakinya ambassador noger nguno my life elekiro en China to midnight lowendi I've not reached where mahali nataka kwenda lakini noger in picha kikimiten in Tuan campus atindoi someone Martina Mwacholingo like a friend of mine kikimiten man Tuan University igere kinyo ki very hard working kanyo kongen in yoten university kisi chito ko kingomiten high school ko kwer A komiten in university ki graduate ak A in first class honors very hard working kisoma kabisa lakini ko kiyoin yebowi kinaitite ka kora engalalwan ale ilione na kole you can imagine ko igeni kan ngalalen depression kole imagine you can imagine ne maya kiasoma kionde all the effort kila kitu I was the perfect everything practical chechu kai very perfect lakini ko mami kole nebo asom kasit kekonon kasitab 10,000 so ko mongen anyele kimeunen enga amun kingen kele kikoyai biik chechang business management lakini mami business kitindoi biik chekikosoman electrical engineering lakini mami invention ot aenge komongen ele kimeunen anywan nebo somanet amun si kitindoi biik chekisomanchi business lakini mami business so asole note kora
so mutyo
icheket chesire biik to biikab biashara chesire biik anan enye
mutyo kininen Faith ara mongen siketeketiem tugul kiro kele
cherwa biikab pikipikishek alumni ab patron neng'wa so ng'ololchineiwo biikchuk chebo
kikilgei achome nia pikipikishek come on alafu makele amun keitab university chito ile mebe kete pikipiki okeket besho amache monge kotatun kyoe like abaru akine ele asole ndo Chinese ichu bunote scooters ichu niker ngunon tembesonote tuguk neno mwokany kas number 1 ko Chinese those people really work they work naninyoru chito igere chito kyanyoru besho cheyoset age neoldo tuguk en yono ko kikimiten ak mataji ale cheyoset tor igere karit nekaket chito ko karit neo nia so they don't choose work matongechakwan kasit lakini ko kasom ak kokwek in like kotokauit any Kenya kora kotitindoi chito otos en olimbo Australia ambassador ak in charity ongeyotin kot komi kikamwa en my page ale information is power ongeyotin biik ko kakauit kabisa kaosinye kora komaingen any kit neyoe kot komi like any opportunity ko ongikochin biik that's what I can say ko biikab boda please come on let's work hard and let's like ogengen ini a culture of nebo nesevenen chepkondo amatonge limiten our thoughts nyaru our thoughts itiaigene kabisa koto ikwere boda ikwer kabisa bagenda kele bada ekwere aje ba boda that's what I can say but otagecheki what again I can say amunu economy nebo Kenya me my dream and my vision ichotinda agenge ole I wish one day echek will ba community chebo Kalenjin keite one day Nemagi limited, we can study anywhere in the world, we can work anywhere in the world, we can do anything we want. Amun saa zingine, ikase man, naninyo go one example, no go no nebo chorwani kanyo. Iko ya is tugul, lakini kiko limited. Manga note kula arawe sana. Lakini kora I can also blame mara na blame na mara education system. Amun kineta kina ito China gin nyo no anetishe. What do you want to be when you grow up? Chinese college, I want to be a boss, a business boss. I want to own my company. I want Lakini ache kuwangi kelimiten, I want to be a pilot. Kikakiager video age kole imache iku pilot kali ame kunye ne inamu ndegeisiek kali ame kuona nebo in ne ona nebo nini ila malele no le yata gitari kiager video kiacha ila I want to be a doctor kali ame kunye ne yone ni in sibitali agenyeite gitari. That's what I can say. So let's not limit our thoughts. Agomara gara education nebo education system I think mang ka ngalaje cha sorry. I don't know what to say because I feel that there's still a lot to do, a lot to do because we can find some people very genius. Nani nyoru miten otito mai neighbor no limbaga. Igere man ile kisiche man teach in high school. Lakini kochobe stimet pa kolal stimet. Komache kora kibwat bichoton kora. Mache kibwat kora bichoton kebwatin keger komasta nebo talent. Ako ngalekab talent kora sukot komautwan. Talent is very important. It's very important. Nena mwagitenge. The reason neto mi nguni China baka nguni for my personality. My personality, of which at first, it's a limitation to me. My personality, disadvantage. But can you name it? Ne kimacha outgoing person. Kimacha chitane to one lag log. Kimacha chitane ne tango yag log. Ogi tango itagi no mika ogi igere. We fake. But I said that's what he's paying me. That's what he's putting like food on my table.
Kongoi Faith. Ameche keweke amu nekit sekeitu in sinye kebwana kemwoe kelen our takeaways eng inye. So ameche kityo ateben ngoliot agenge in Faith. Ki China ole kiimoche anan why China, why not Australia, why not America? Mi biik nguno len ngoma America kobet, you know. Kole ngoma Australia komabitonin olo. Imwachini ne biik cheu chotok, and do you ibaibai ing yo imitei anan ikose imeche tainakte akwamune imwachi what is ing betusiek chemi tai amu kacham ole kemwaite ile ameche nikotelen imeche iyoku daktari maya keek daktari ameche iyoku inyendet neoneni sipitali ako ii daktari kora anan iyoku daktari neoneni sipitalit anan iyoku engineer neoneni engineering whatever facility sikobit ketestai, in other words keeku entrepreneurs. Tos China ini nekimoche anan kimeche kimaswek alak, why China? Karibu.
The only reason I choose in Chinese language go amu kiui. And I told you before, there's something that happened to me in high school. He threatened and I challenged myself. Ingele uwe ndugu jua la mache choto uwe. Amuna mukia ni niche kibo hospitality. Other subjects were much easier. Kima go missing amukiana a diploma already. So I wanted that thing that is Chinese language. Maui geba China. Chinese language. Oh, for me, I'm not even like me. Then big cheki kwa plan agula. Not because I had formed some group. When I go to the chita in Chagere in Kiosk somebody a scholarship opportunity. Ole macha, ole gratia mtona scholarship nango ngete in 2018 lakini tu monyor. Let's not limit ourselves. Ngoma yugi na mkomase. By there, that's what is always keeping me alive. Ane get rejected and intro. No stands for next opportunity. Go to next opportunity. But is it very tagilele? Amacha wa nini? Amacha wa US, amacha wa US. We have Canada, we have Australia, we have in there are opportunities. Temiten in Dubai. Pedro made a masa company yake Dubai. You can imagine Chitab Kalenjin company in Dubai. You can go there and let's extend our thoughts. You can go to those countries and achieve a lot. Mitten countries legally. Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam. There are opportunities outside there. Mitten my friends in international schools and they earn money. So let's not limit. But don't limit our thoughts to one country. Let's open up our mind. Okay, brother. itien kome US ite uge nyina meno, because you will still also have a travel history, which is also okay. So my limitation is bye in China, they give me everything, I am okay. But I want to know the next time on your one or me another country. Me, I want to live like in the next my vision, because I already opened a page. I want to show people that you can do it. You can do it, because challenges in the next few months. How much as we can? I want to be living in. I want to travel to so many countries, and I want to live in so many countries and experience new challenges. Because one no China who want quarter challenges challenges okay, and I think I'm now comfortable. I'm much at that comfort zone. So I want to move and hit another challenge. So I never mommy big much goes so I don't know. I have not like considered where to like settle, but me I want to move to another country. I want to experience another culture. I've learned Chinese. I've done everything that I wanted to do in China. So I think I want a next opportunity. We can opportunity tap Kalenjin. In Kalenjin, no, it means next opportunity. And the world is vast and full of opportunities. Matonge limited get. Here one in Kagere in meet and work a little to me. Then it is a Seychelles. Galamalo Seychelles is young. Hello, Seychelles. Well, again, it is a Seychelles. You can imagine. We have Kalenjin in Botswana. Botswana. So let's not limit ourselves to one country. In Namen, you can start with what you can do. Hiyo kidogo anza nayo. Me, that's what I.
Kongonye amache kemwochi chitab Kalenjin alejin cheng passport. Akot ngumewendi ui icheng passport. Sindakilenga kaba itindoi. So malasima imeche iwe ui cheng passport akateschini nakamwa Faith. Ngolal kot kumeker kityo kurken mandae tirisha anan ibun kesiok melal ngo. It is makosa ilal imi ko nikotokoi sevenkei. Kotomo koit simamoto kongouit kurket imandae tirisha anan ibun kesiok sikobit isop. So ongemande kebe kimaswek chechang ongecheng opportunities. There are a lot of opportunities out there. Kimakuni nyecham Faith amu I like you being optimistic. That is what I like. And kimakun nyat ko mongen yawek chanat kemeche kebwa cho kikure takeaways chechoket. Lakini kotomo keit sikonye kekonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let. So Janet, kaikas kakekosyin kele ngolal kot ako kera kurget kumerib kityo kurget. So mandae tirisha anan ibun kesiok kamwoiwech Faith kunotok. Kale Faith kiabun challenges tugul in China. She wants to go to the next country. She wants to experience other places. Parai ng'uny kabisa ako mi opportunities out there. So ongeku biik cheki optimistic chekimeche kemande ngecheng passport keacho tugul. So kakowek Janet kokisubu Faith ako kaikerin mongen ale kaineteke ne Faith eng bandanyi nekakisubu. Sikoi kikochi Hosea ko kotomo Hosea imwa ng'olyong'ung kosimwoiwech akobo kitoreti kora Pastor Kimeto, lakini kito nekimeche kora kemwa kemeche kiwekchi kongoi Optiven Company kibagengeit nemite kebebertab Nairobi, kampunit nengimeche ichengchigei mbar kotoretin asikobit ionen mbaret. So kimeche kemwa kongoi ing Optiven. Kimeche kemwa kora kongoi ing Tamo Life. Kimeche kibwotun kora kele ngimeche ibara mung'areng'ung anan iadvertisan icheng ndonyo mat sikotoretin asikobit imarketan mung'areng'ung. So kimeche kemwa kongoi Faith ako kaichere nebo man. I like people who are very enthusiastic and they want to agere inginye and there is a reason why amune siko windscreen nebo karit eng tai kosir nebo let, because tuguk chemite tai kobo kamanut kosir chebo let. Most of our people ko concentrate ni kokere olimbo let. Kitieta chebanum mite primary, kiong'om masir anum, kiberber anum. Lakini that should not determine where we are going. Lakini ngibara kabwatutik, ngibara optimism nenyo, ngeku biik che optimistic, ako kacham noilen ingean mungaret. Janet, kekas kabisa tuguk chekamwa in Faith kole
Obwa
amu
Sheila.
igu engineer ne inventani tuguk akwai tuguk cheechen ne yoneni, but you are an engineer but you invent things. That is what Faith said. Karibu Janet.
Kongoi balozi au kongoi kora Faith kaicherejman, and that is actually my goal and my aim in life, and I hope I have been through a couple of things, a couple of startups point. So kimite hata Faith, we are tunashikilia engineers wenzangu pia. I'm sure everyone has to be great in their own way. Akunata, one of my biggest takeaway, be good in what you are, like own yourself. And just do it and do it well. Unaona Faith ametumia her personality, which some people walikuwa wanaona ni sio mzuri, but look now, this is to her advantage. And I want to also say, Faith, engolie America, what helps kuchitane very outgoing. Goisi sati gole, then people don't really respect you. So you have to know what you want and just go for it. So nata kita agenge nameche amwachi our listeners. I see somebody nagalenja, Janet, tell us about yourself. I'm an engineer, and I'm a software engineer. I like app computers, anything software. I write all those programs. So that's me. So biggest takeaway, go chang opportunities, my people. On get an advantage. This world is for all of us. This world, there's a place for you. Initiate in that process. And when you reach out, just reach out again. We can connect you to one person here. Here is Faith Negagogonge. Amesema a lot of things. Ametupea a lot of links. Faith is here. Ukiwe China, I'm sure she will be there to guide you. And anakwanga na page pia, she's always sharing information. We are on the same mission here to empower our people. Simutandagi wekseiga anandagi olegmi ko kararan ka. So that is what we want. The other thing is follow your dreams, know your goals. Don't deviate. Chang challenges man like ngitinde yes a goal ne ibarchinige jito, then it helps you. And when challenges come, ups and downs, you can overcome it because ingenulate chinige. Na Faith has been through so much, and here she is still living and doing great things, and here she is sharing her information. Kokongoi no Faith. So on get taken advantage of opportunities. Anyone out there, let's do that, and let's build ourselves and let's build our communities. Thank you so much, Faith, for coming and for sharing. Mimi nitaondoka balozi kwa sababu ya wakati, but yeah, kongoi.
Kongoi nye Janet, kongoi kimagun banda na mie ngole iwendi ko wakasa kele kemi ruta olimba Carolina au lasima kewe olimba Florida. So nge magun mal banda na mie ye iweksei. Ko kongoi Janet. Ko toma ke tiata ke meja ke mwa Jonas Kips. Agere Faith pi ke dang je mi wala kongoi kapsak ala pi ke dang nyuk agi subsabari ngung. Ako kakoik motivated biik. Agere Koech Bennett, Jonas Kips, Jonah Koech kale following. Agere chi nemiu nakale Faith. Kongoi our hosts, Anne, Hosea ak Janet. Kale personally I've learned a lot. So kongoi chicho Nash anan ngo ke meja ke mwa kongoi. Agere Benson Chirchir kale kongoi. Agerin kora Gilbert Dal Cruz kale kongoi kabisa kale kakopigen kole oye determination, discipline ak tukche tugul je kwerie chito. Gideon Koskei kale kongoi. Lea Chepkogei kongoi following. Kende eut kitche bara kale they are determined kabisa. Belcon Transport kongoi. Belcon ko agerin kora konyil oeng eng yo kemeche kemwa kongoi kora nginye. Millicent Tirop following. Kale ne Millicent kale start with 10k agitestai ko igere ile Chiriot Cleophas kemeche kemwa kongoi abwati ale ki alumni nenyo. Langat Shadrack ko subech kora kale kongoi kale kararan kasit. Faith inendet Jess Kim ko subech from Nairobi. Agerin kora chang biik kabisa chekakosubech akabwati ale kakocherokis bichu. So Kita ne kotomo kurosea ameche kityo alejin chitab kalenjin ing ole imi. Cheng passport okot ngomami ole iwendi. Ask. Information is knowledge. Kishioni information ichu tugul yemeche iwe ui kokaikas ng'alek, you can always inbox and be able to reach out to Faith sikobit kokaitanin ole kibetito ng'alekab China, and always ask sinai ile what kind of visa nekararan netoretin. Koyetebe chito komwaun, they will walk you through all that. So kongoi eng akwek tugul abwoti ale kaicherake eng oret age. Chang biik chekakosirwa privately chekale following. So kongoi eng akwek tugul chekaosubech. Kimeche iwe our website page atya iwe YouTube akilikean akisir comment. Kimeche kora keteketiem mongen ale king'etie China kebendi ano, we will go places and we want to find out what our people are. Kakas mi biik chemi Seychelles, mi chemi kongoi eng akwek tugul cheomi ole omi, and I like those people who are very optimistic. Chotieme ki nelel metebi ing comfort zone akitebi mising mitebi meche ngap ing'et akiwe ile ngatiem ngokosune tai. That is the only way. So osea ameche anyo si kotomo imwa ng'olyo neketinye akimwaiwech takeaways asikobit keweke kikochi Faith kokone ng'alekchik chebo let. Osea.
Kongoi balozi, kongoi biik chechang kabisa. Agere kalechi arap sukut mi oret kabisa kale pimani China. Arap sukut ko mwalimuiyot by profession ako mi emetab Australia. Alami aguguleni sahi subjetishek ak sukulishek chengwa olinda kipkone. Kongoi arap sukut. We wish you all the very best. Yutakchinigei olimbo emetab China. Ak chitugul ak biik chekakole ang yu kakocherakis eng kemboutab rani. Kameche kityo tabwati fans chechobo kasubikyok cheisubech akot kiwechi kongoi eng support nekikokonech kong'ete kinginam programini nebo Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin akoi kemi episode number 65 kokokakilechigei kenyineb 2022 oye ongetaune ketoret our legend notok ko Daktari Joel Kimeto ketoret kechopchi studio Daktari Joel Kimeto ko kikotien tienwogik tiendo nekiboisie angot ko Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ko inendet ako kokiro kele tienwogik chik ko kikotiny biik chechang. So ngimi emetab Australia imi olebo Adelaide akimeche isupporten Daktari Joel Kimeto komuch icheng ko ngimi olimbo Melbourne much icheng wakili Charles Koech komi Melbourne, ko ngiwe Sydney icheng Millicent, icheng arap sukut akomi Sydney olimbo Sydney Australia. Ko ngiwe olimbo Queensland inyoru chi nekikure Primin Chemweno, inyoru Dennis akomi Sydney. Ko ngiwe emetab Western Australia meche isupporten Daktari Joel Kimeto inyoru president anato ko Steve Sitjene. Ko ngicrossen iwe emetab America icheng balozi, ko ngirekte kidogo inyoru Janet, inyoru angot Sam Professor Sam Bore komi kebeberatak kokonin kokaidanin atye sikesupporten. Ko ngiit kora emetab China olimbo Guangzhou ole mi chepkametinyo inyoru Faith ing yo kole akomwaun the way forward ongesupporten daktari. Project ni kokokile ko December Faith tun kokerekte gaa iwendi olimbo Mokokoshek ipkebune keyote studio nekichobe kabisa a modern big studio nekiteche eng olimbo county nebo Kericho. Atinye takeaway cheng'ering'en. My takeaway netai ko kongoi Faith kemwawech ile biik cheu achek chekieshe Kingereza ko ngebwa emetab China kekere kele ngakieku mwalimuinik chekitar kabisa. So there is that sense of hope ak chitugul age tugul. Ingen ile Kingereza mabo chitugul. So chicho igeregei ile kikoeshen Kingereza ko you can go China and you can do wonders. Kit age ne taken away from you Faith ko ng'olyo nekemwa nekingimi Moi University ile kirire sigindeng'ung ile kakoturgei sigindet and you really feel for your parent. So it's my takeaway ako for some of us ole kikebe ko kikonda a lot of effort sigik for life. So meche ke that sense of kefilenchi sigikchok, kerire sigikchok amu turekei akochiritos. Kit age nekataken away ko ng'olyo nekemwa nebo ng'alekab agent ako kekonu ile mi good agent ako mi agent ne ngiwe koyaitu kasit. So ng'olyotab ongeboisie ako ngicheng an agent icheng a good agent ako good agent ole kinyorundoi iwendi through reviews nebo biik chekikobun keunek chekikobun kocham kemwowok yo inyone oli icheng keunek cheobunu noto ko Options Education Agencies inyone emetab Australia ako kongen balozi chebo kebeberwek ake ng'oliot ake kora ko networking. Cham kelen your network is your it's what networking as ole kiko progress and the faith success from one stage to it is through networking amu mi chicho kikikoi kityo number lakini koek ine nekiseveni so ongebe akerib network amat keeku kora achek cheketile tarajok anan ko kailande ing'etitat you can still need one day or another thing got the confidence imaneuver all through tugul got the confidence so ngometinye confidence angondamutin eng tulwa mwetunya kiwe Nairobi kotiweksei eng Nairobi anan iwe Mombasa ngometinye that confidence ko kit nebo maana ake ko kalan eng ng'olyondoni nekemwa ile mi kele Katun Fair anan Canton Fair nemi China nebwone biik tugul nekeshoi cases so that's my takeaway and kapike notok ako kale ngama kenyisiek chemi tai anyone akine olimbo China ng'oliot kora ne takeaway kora this will go a long way for most of our kecategorize subject teachers ngineti biology ngineti chemistry ngineti chakikure geography ngineti subject teachers ko ngiwe emetab China keevalueni ako return komi barak so mwalimuinik kasi kwenyu acheng this information ako kemwa something nekile IGCU nemuch kobuken teacher konde information chechik yotok and then from there kebiken akwa China ake ko information is power nebo let ko ng'alekab talent talent ini keamishe so balozi kikotembean dunia kosubkei ak talent so ngot ko timi akirwe talent neng'ung challenge ko neng'ung nebo faith ko talent nenyi kere ile at least kikokochi pkokoi kot nengile angami angot atamononi ku amenye sahi it is because of talent and the passion in boisionik chekiyoe. Asante sana Faith, welcome, be part of the family. You are number 65.
Kongoi nye osea kongoi ko tekeketchini kora ng'olyon akilen subject teaching. Ngot ko mwalimu nebo biology, chemistry, physics, sabuk, economics ko imuchi kimeche sikesom osea asikong'etin sikokonech Faith information chechiket sikinde Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin singyemeche kora irichen Faith iteb more information you can reach on to her sikobit ketestai so mwalimuinik chomi moeku comfortable mising malasima yeundo binete Kingereza tai ko ki specialize in chemistry, physics, maths, economics, engineering ak biology sciences kemeche bichotok ko chemung'arainik otiemobe so find out kora information sobe Canton Fair ngolimbo China sibo oai ng'alekab mung'aret onyoru biik manufacturers cheoe ak ing'alal one-on-one I'm sure you can strike a deal asikobit importen tuguk cheimokchinigei ko kakinetegei tuguk chechang Faith kamwoiwech kole yelal kot komelal eng kot ngot ko kakokera kurget ibun dirisha anan ibun keshok sikobit kusir makosa ilal imi ko so but information is knowledge cheng information ngoekine ne initiateni there are a lot of information out there ako kararan ketiem yewe emet ake imande kunotok iwe parang'uny ako mi opportunities emotinwechu kongoi ngakwek tugul chekakosubech kaker Norima kale kongoi kale Faith kotinye Faith so kongoi Viola Chelagat ko Faith as the Faith kongoi Victor Yator kale post of we are proud of Faith mwae chicho Masi Cheps kongoi Koech Langat Shadrack Nena Chemngeno kongoi Hassan Bruden kokale kongoi kora kakerin Abraham Rono kakerin Rosemary Tanui Shaila Sang Kipchumba Gideon Caroline Chela akakwek tugul Beni Sawe ingoleimi Tamo Max Miller ingolomite kemeche kemwa kongoi ngakwek oba page nyon nebo Facebook atya i-like-an ak i-subscribe-an, like it and send a comment. Maginoe mara yeking'et eng yu kebwa ole imi sikotakenai kele miono biik kyok ko kongoi Faith kaichere tugul. We are very proud of you and we wish you the very best and may your dreams come true. So in your next move ole iwendi kotun kecheng in kora yekaimande China ak iwe emet age kemeche kisup kora sikenai kele kiwetito ano because itinye faith ako i faith ak itinye the courage. So kimeche kekonin faith imwa ng'alekuk chebo let kotkom ketyo kotekemeche kiwekyi kongoi Tamo Life imuchi ing'ololji sikobit kiyokun chaikab Kenya. Ikere chepkametinyo kikokilgei eng ole mi kot koyat kampunit ne imuchi al chaik, ngimeche chaik inyoru chaikab Kericho, chaikab Nandi Hills, you can get that tea and she can ship it to you. So soon this is our customer netun konyone emoni Canton Fair itkai. She needs to come there akotinye kampunit nyi nebo Ndonyo Mart ne noto kotoretech ng'alekab marketing ak tukyo tugul. So she's doing it. Ko kongoi ngakwek tugul chekaosubech, kongoi ing chi age tugul nekai taken time to be with us. Ko Faith ameche akonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let ako takiwekchini kongoi kora Optiven Company for being our supporter. Onge supporten Pastor Kimeto ketesetai kou notok. Faith ameche akonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let ak icher bichuchok ngot komi ng'olyo nekakeutye neikose takas bichuchok ameche ing'ololji chitab Kalenjin ngole mi komong in that comfort zone konai kole kimondoi sikeba. If really Faith was able to go akomanda ako kikenuch passport inoni mi nebo oeng kenuche komanda akoi kacham nekele niwendi ngimi airport ibitebi 2 hours ak iweke kora sikobit you know so that si testai metebi bilal ngole imi Faith karibu ngekonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let.
So first of all, I'm so humbled. Ale kongoi biik tugul chebo Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin. I'm so humbled. Mangen ale kyoker ne ane kotoker ole I guest. So I really thank you so much en invitation nekokonon. Ako kit nebo aeng amache ang'ololji biik tugul chebo Kalenjin kong'eten eleboch maton kekergei. Kit agenge nekiokeri kit nekikosani biik chechang chebo Kalenjin ot kinomiten campus uon kimoe kinyokoren kiten ot ngeker mara biik chebo tulwet olin anan biik chebo ano uon kimoe ketinye shyness komoche kiisten that shyness ak ilach confidence en echek. Confidence ko it's something so big nekikotoreton en olda age tugul en ele kiawendot. Kiawendot ayoti exit chu. Oki sait age nan iwe emet neu ngunon emotinwek alak kelein show money. Kokinan kele aniboru show money. Knowledge nowadays we use technology. I don't have to have cash money. We use iko kwa nini iko kwa kibare ne mi credit card
mi mpesa
ako akoromitu nia kekere kele atindo matinye kiy atindoi siling 20. So confidence is everything. Akiker akonda kabisa akimwochi kong'etein ko yani you can pass through a lot of doors and confidence inege netindoi. Number somok kinomwoe kotko nan iman kotko mi opportunities chemiten Kenya chebo business tugul ko ongeyai biik tugul chebo Kalenjin kokot ikose ile kaichilake chito anan imoche inyon bitonin ko kit neta look for a passport amun kikakinam pagit oino torotore nono kikakinam pagit oino kokokabit kimiten our friend nemiten olimbo Netherlands nekokonu scholarships chebo Netherlands kokokoit any scholarships anjwai but kit nekokibireten ile momiten passport. Biik chechang 80% anan kele 70% chebo biik chok chemara komoche komanda komatinde passport. Le chito chomoche amanda ometinye passport komoche amwochi chi tugul miten opportunities outside omiten kora Kenya. Chito nei comfortable en Kenya ko imuche ibur en Kenya. Ko chito nemoche imande tafadhali ongebe kikakimwot kele nicheng ot passport you have some other feeling, you feel international even without that on gomi boy mabuki if ile atinye passport kunyone some confidence in you na unaanza kuwa in mind and have that vision and start creating that vision. That's what I can say. Like for example nangosi ruchi tawole amache alanda imache ilanda anyiwana so mache ibwat inyendet koron ile imache iwe ano. Ko kot imache iwe ngele imache iwe, for example, imache iwe Canada. Can you imache iwe Canada? Inam ni burbur itienotieni en Facebook, iker ile Canada ni ot koune. Ilele kityo chito amache alanda, imache ilande iwe ano. So have that vision and start creating it. Ile amache awo Canada. Canada ni komi opportunities achon ak achon. Okay, ready. By the way, we created a group, Kalenjins Abroad. I don't know if it's okay if I can say that.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. So group it, so you can like and follow me on Kalenjins Abroad. No, invite any in big to will be then big up Kalenjin. Go so more a group in your some things in your so more kapsa. Kosea Ambassador Janet karibuni sana to my group, because in group not only we have been meeting a problem. That is what I noticed, because this problem Pokia noticing it was last year, like 6 months ago. I organized for my cousin and my brother go back Qatar. Achagirole opportunity. Alafu then nini nekiaba ishe ni ko post na job, and then I posted the job. My God, I got nearly 500 messages. Osirubi goleone kone. So there is a problem at home. Kina watching like picture tools need to be done. So, and then from that there, I created a group and WhatsApp group. Just created that WhatsApp group in a jar within minutes. People are looking for opportunities. Chema meeting me gora picture million ile. Matindo ama passport at monge nore. Matindo information. Mange goloti chon nangole chito ke apply man oboisie ne chendene ko agelibo 100 koba kewani. So ko some big tugul ko amache angololji kora big tugul chebo Kalenjin chemiten outside oye onginet bigap ka. I can imagine go kakone jave ne go Netherlands. There are some people wamepata scholarship. We have 7 people already chemiten on board chego konyor scholarship. We have one ne go konyor nebo masters. So you can imagine passing that information to that person, ma cost on anything. Ma you go even on anything to each other, but you've changed the life of that person. And let me tell you, give me in 50 years, go power game using it. Give me he made that information and again. So if you have information that can help somebody, let's share the information. Only watching picture or I have a dream that we do pick up college, they can go and study anywhere in the world. People studying outside the country, but they don't have the opportunities. They don't have the way. They don't have the information. University. We have engineers, we have teachers. Casual teachers, China subject teachers, subject teachers, no, mechita ana kanyo ko iben kiasi kanyo ko iben meta o kitindai mwalimu eka asole ni chito ni be pakesirin PTA kele stos ako mire kikoito 1,000 igere chitugul ko som chitugul MCA wakazi enga ko kakile ko komangji ko some chitugul amun chenge big opportunity only you an opportunity en kakile ikale chela ngat bishon ngesirin en subject teachers en ro. You can be like an MP. So the world is vast and full of opportunities. Big tools chebo Kalenjin, chemi US, chemi Canada, chemi Australia, chemi the UK, chemi the onki mong ke aki net. Niger in neno chochi kidogo chukuna 1 minute. Tata Niger kuna go West Africans kiyunke an apartments in kwa. Ese body ke inyoru ke le sister. How are you sister? Ena go le big choki chechu. Big chogiro kagere raini apos ne kakisir kele ki mi ele kebare wen kile ono nyen olimbo US ikoyumke kosobe akomutuke ongi mutu picture kile kyager aenge kora nena nebo let kile kyager government nebo Chinese toreti bikwak government nebo Chinese kindene picture korotyi karik bikwak kogochi kabisa opportunities kogochi housing kogochi education kogochi infrastructure nekararan ongikochin picture platform nemuche kongenini kamwa mi chorwenyun ne mara nekimiten ka ako like yani mongen kole what to do ako kimakoi angenini kora mara makoi amutu kouchana amun kou inendet ko kiyai mara kiyai another language kiyai kou Spanish kiyai kou tuguk alak chemonomegei akot komi chenomegei en olon ongetoretkei ongimutun inye pole pole. Kona go mi biik che lelen makonyanyo Facebook live ana makonyamwa information imuche ot inyon inbox ak ile nichu information choton tai inet biik onginet biikab gaa. So en episode chebwone ak ane ko katacha kabisa biik tugul chebo Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin obwan grupit nyun ak obwan kinet biik cho. There is a big problem of which I can tell you. There is a big problem. I remember like 3 weeks ago, I created 3 WhatsApp groups and they were full. Nayat WhatsApp only within 30 minutes, 257, full. I couldn't have space. Baka ikaamua nika stop. Because I cannot manage anymore. Because there is a problem. Let me tell you. Guys. Only ni wen box na ngosi ronjita mese kabisa Igere. Ndokati chichikotindo everything. Legit I have everything. But come out into information. I can say information is power. Let's give our people information.
Kongoi nye faith kumagunjam nyati iwendi tesatai. Information is knowledge. Kimnatet naet kuyo mwae kasafam. Ko cheng information igu chito ne yoskeni chito no isuwe ngolo baga. Teb information gegonin information. Visiten tukchu cheng passport. Mojeng MCA tokol obwa o cheng ngoli ngoi mwalimu. Kumemangu mwalimu inatet nyo igita nekikesomanji ibinyoru chepkondok chekerge ak chebo MCA kokewolin ya chotok subject.
Nena som one point kityo. Ako kora chitab gaa aninyoru kuno ku ambassador na ninyoru ku osea. Matinam kokotie. Ile hi, how are you? Robani olimba America. Ingegonin information. Iwe direct ile ambassador. I am so and so I'm going do that thing. There is that problem. Ile I am Evans. I need this and this and this. And kikisige itore toge. Matongin oginye ngegonin information. Koge ilama tempers yogibe iwirchi PDF immediately. Ibe nano sinye gochi information kora amagibe isen information. Ngegonech information ko ngeboisien ako ongebagache kilelen ati ninyoru nguno mara kanyo konete kuno nafasi. Ongebagach kokotye. Let's go direct to the point and let's act on it immediately.
Kongoi nye faith notok no kokotye tebenen chito kole roboni. Imeche ilioti roptab China ngolimbo Kenya. Matoretin ropta nebo China en Kenya, matoretin ropta nebo America en Kenya. So nekotewendi, don't waste my time. Ngebe straight to the point ak iteb information. The way to introduce yourself Chitab Kalenjin imwachi chito ileje ane ko anam kia sukul kuni kianyoru chu awendi ak ameche chu. So mete story chechang cho ngotebenen chito kora koleji amune ileji achamege anginye yamune because ngoto katebenen ale yamune komemeche inai ile amune akine. So chumbek tukyo kitebe communication ko tuguk chekimeche ako sikobit ketestai. So may wasten a lot of time because people don't have a lot of time. Kakikesib tetutiet nebo betutab ra kimakunjam nyach faith ingole imi iberurage testai iberurage Janet kimakun banda nemie ose kimakun banda nemie angen ale kemboi ngolobo Australia kemeche kemakun jamnyach ko ose ameche awek abwoti ale kakikesib
itebele ga imilene kotindoni kotoi kole ga imilangi nekimwachi kikimwae en wikit konye kurorina ningonamge Chitab Kalenjin ak kasarta epche chito Chitab Kalenjin emwaura uyemile labati